So a very lovely hello to all my class 10th champions, to all boards warriors. I welcome you everyone in one short live session of trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry, my dear. So before I start this session, before I move ahead, just let me know, my dear, if everything is fixed, my voice is reaching to you, I'm audible and I'm completely visible to you all. Just let me know in comment section. Yes, you all are there and you have joined the session. Yes, my dear champ, let me know you all are there and you have joined the session successfully. Yes, my dear, superb. So this session is going to be very helpful for you all because trigonometry, I have picked up trigonometry, the chapter which is most troubling for the student, which is most scary for the student, for 10th class student, I know. And you know everyone, you don't have so much of time. Your 17th February is so close, your examination day of maths. So it's already 7 is today, so you have only 8 to 9 days, my dear. Okay, I'm not scaring you a lot at all, but yeah, this is truth, my dears. Okay, so just let me know, my dear, everything is fixed. Good evening, sir. Yes, clear. Hi, very good. Thank you so much for confirmation. Very good evening. Let's other join so that we can start this session, this quality session for you all. And I'm going to give you one short video, complete revision of trigonometry from basics to standard. Yes, my dear, your each and every doubt will be cleared. I'm assuring you, everyone. This is my complete assurance to you, everyone. Your doubt will be cleared today. Post live session, you will be feeling confident in trigonometry. But the condition is that you have to be here, attentive and focused. Okay? Yes. Join first. Come on, join for. Hi, Captain Marine. Yeah, thank you. Hi Mika, Kavya is there. Thank you, Kavya. Hi everyone, my all dear champions, class 10th warriors. So, as you all know, you all are aware about your date of exam. Your 17th February is so close, your maths exam, your first exam. So, my intention is your exam, your first exam should be, very full of confidence. And, if your first exam will go as per your wish, means your confidence will be boosted up throughout the exam in every subject. So first exam should be good, and as whatever you are expecting, your exam should be like that. Okay, and to make your exam very good scoring and very comfortable for you, I have brought up with one short revision of trigonometry, my dear, and I have already completed 6, 7, 8 chapters in one short form. And the student who want to watch the video, they can go to the previous live sessions and you guys can clear your doubt in maths. Okay, so let's begin. Sir, I am a bit fear in this chapter. See, Avri, you don't need to be fearful in this chapter. My dear, let me tell you, generally in CBSE questions, CBSE repeats the question, not exactly same, but but most of the questions has repeated exactly same, my dear. So concepts repeats. There will be nothing new in trigonometry. If you practice the question, whatever the question I have brought up here today in the live session, my dear, if you practice these questions honestly, this is my complete assurance, your confidence will be on peak. But you have to practice honestly. No need to worry. You don't need to worry. Okay, yeah, Varu is there. Varu, can you teach? See, Varu, I always teach from basics to standard. This is my teaching methodology. I never directly go to advanced level of maths. No, I always believe in to teach you basics. Then from basic we used to switch to advanced, my dear. This is my teaching methodology. Okay, so don't worry, my dear. Stay in this live session till the end. Your doubt for basics maths will be clear, my dear. Don't worry. But by the way, we are doing here standard maths. Okay, so let's begin the session of trigonometry. So in trigonometry, the first thing comes up is trigonometric ratio. The first thing comes up is trigonometric ratio, my dear. Trigonometric ratio. What does it mean by trigonometric ratio? Let me tell you one thing. You all know trigonometry. What is called trigonometry? Trigonometry is made up of two words. What happened here? Just a second, my dear. Just a second. I need to be. No. Just a second. I need to change the thickness of this pen. so that we can have quality session ahead. Yeah, this thickness will be perfect. Okay. So, if I ask you what is called trigonometry, my dear. So, the word trigonometry is made up of trigonometric. The word trigonometric is made up of two words, trigon plus metric. So, trigon comes from triangle. My dear, triangle. And we all know in triangle, there are sides plus angles. You know, in triangle we deal with sides and angles. And the metric means, this metric means measurement. So basically trigonometric means when we deal with triangles, different kind of triangles, and we measure their sides and angles. Basically, when we measure sides and we talk about angle of the triangle, right, there will be three angles in triangle, in any triangle, whether the triangle is isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, whatever triangle, and we measure. So basically this mathematics is called trigonometry. But let me tell you, in class 10th, in SLC level, we only deal with right angle triangle. We only deal with right angled triangle. Come on, right angle triangle. So in this chapter, we will be only dealing with the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, my dear. Okay. So if I ask you what is called right angle triangle, so you all know, you must be knowing the right angle triangle, the triangle in which at least one angle, this is clear, in any triangle only one angle can be equal to 90 degree. So if one angle is 90 degree at anywhere, whether this or this, so this is called right angle triangle. My dear, if I take one more angle here, which is acute angle, theta is less than 90 degree. Theta will always be less than 90 degree. Why? Because 190 degree is already there. So if we talk about this theta, so for this theta, this side will be base. The side on which theta is associated, the side by which theta is associated, that is called base. And for this theta, this will be perpendicular. This will be perpendicular. And this will always be hypotenuse. If we draw arrow from 90 degree, that side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So you know base, that side which is associated with the angle which is considering, which is under consideration. So that is base. This will be perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. But if I tell you, my dear, like if I am having this triangle, now this is also right angle triangle, and the theta is here. This theta is here, my dear. Now, my dear, for this theta, the side which is associated, adjacent side to the angle is called base, my dear. So for this theta, this will be the base. Come on, this will be the base. And 90 degree, if you draw the arrow, this will be hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now the left, the remaining side will be your perpendicular. So my dear champion, let me tell you, the base and perpendicular is not fixed. It all depends on the position of angle. The base and perpendicular is not fixed. Hi everyone, hi. Sonu, hi. Yes, Sonu, how are you? Okay, I hope this is clear. So whenever you are deciding perpendicular base, you don't need to be worried about that. Go through the angle. Like if I'm giving you this right angle triangle, right? And here angle is here. And triangle name is ABC. And this is the 90 degree. Now my dear champion, if I ask you which side will be base, which side will be perpendicular, and which is hypotenuse is king, my dear. Hypotenuse is king. No one can disturb hypotenuse. Because if we draw an arrow in front of 90 degree, this way, so that will be hypotenuse. So this is fixed. Wow, this is just king, my dear. Hypotenuse is king. Now what will be base? So my dear champion, the side which is associated with the angle, if we are considering this angle, so for this angle, this will be the base. Come on, my dear, this will be the base. Because that side AB is associated with the angle, right? So remaining side will be, this will be perpendicular. Yes, my dear. So some student thinks that this is always side because this is horizontal line which is kept on the ground, and this straight line, vertical line is always perpendicular. No, it is not like that. It all depends on angle. It's all about the angle, my dear. Now you might be thinking, sir, we are talking about trigonometric ratio, but what you are teaching here? So my dear, trigonometric ratio is nothing, the relation between hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. The ratio of hypotenuse, perpendicular, base, perpendicular, perpendicular, hypotenuse, this is all about trigonometric ratio. Just wait a little while, I'll be giving you every concept, don't worry, my dear. First, you have to be ultra pro in deciding the base in perpendicular, and once you will be able to decide which side will be base, which side will be perpendicular, everything will be in your control. Yes, very good. Hey everyone, hi Sony, how are you? Don't do spam, Sony, please, I request you. Hi Mohiseni, hi Mohiseni. Hello everyone, Lucky, hello. So I hope this is clear to you. Now, if I ask you, second point, now, let's say I'm having this triangle, theta is here now, ABC triangle. So, my dear, if we consider this theta, for this theta, what will be base? Come on, for this theta, now this will be the base. The adjacent side, which is associated with the angle, is called base, right? So, and now this will be perpendicular. This will be perpendicular, wow, and this is hypotenuse. So can you see here, the position of base and perpendicular changes. It all depends on position of angle. I hope this is clear to you. Now moving to the most important thing. I hope this is clear. If you want to take a screenshot, guys, you can take a screenshot. Whatever the things relevant to you, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now come to trigonometric ratio. So my dear, let me tell you, in trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. In starting, I am teaching you all very basics of trigonometry. Don't be in such hurry. If these things will be cleared, you guys will be able to do the questions. Look at the question, the level of question. I have brought up quality questions today. Look at the question, everything in front of you. But before doing these questions, before direct moving ahead to these questions, your doubts, your basics must be clear, my dear. This is my teaching methodology. Your basics should be clear. That's why I'm clearing your basics. Your doubts I'm clearing here. And once your doubt will be clear, everything will be in your control, let me tell you. Everything will be in your control in trigonometry. Okay? Hey Sony, I request you, please, this is my humble request, don't do this, please. Okay, so there are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Listen one thing, my dear. If I am writing only sine, nothing, no angle is here. At adjacent of angle, nothing is there. So without angle, every trigonometric function is incomplete. So to make the trigonometric function complete, we always use some angle. The angle might be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 80 degree, whatever. There should be some angle. I don't know that what will be that angle. We don't know. We are not sure. Any angle can be there. So for any angle, we generally use theta term. Theta represents the angle. Theta can be 0 degree, can be 10 degree, can be 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 80 degree, 135, 150, 180, 360, whatever it can be. So I don't know theta, so we can put here for our just reference, theta is there. And what is this theta, my dear? Theta represents angle. Come on, my dear, this theta represents angle. This theta represents any angle. So theta can be 10 degree, 0 degree, 45, any number. Now come to trigonometric ratio. So to study trigonometric ratio, we take a right angle triangle. So let's say there is a right angle triangle, my dear champions. So this is right angle triangle A, B and C, and I'm taking theta here. And I want to write trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratio for this theta. So which angle we are considering here? We are considering theta here. Theta. And now, my dear champion, for this theta, which side will be here? Base. So for this theta, hi, who is this? Okay, yeah. So for this theta, which side will be base, my dear? Theta is associated with BC. So the side by which theta is associated, that is called base, my dear. So this will be base. And for this theta, this will be perpendicular. This will be perpendicular. And if 90 degrees here, if you draw an arrow from 90 degrees, if you leave an arrow from bow, so that will be the hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is represented by capital H, base can be represented by capital B, and perpendicular represented by capital P. Now let me tell you the ratio. So to memorize the ratio comfortably, there is very short trick: P, BP, HHB. HHB. You can make any trick here to memorize this. Okay. You can make any trick, whatever you want to. Okay. So Pradeep, Bhuka, this is Pradeep, Bhuka, and Paratha. Pradeep, Bhuka, Paratha. There is so many Pandit, Badri, Prashad, you know all. So you can memorize by your own, whatever you method you guys follow. So this is P by H. So P by H for sine theta. Come on. The ratio of perpendicular by hypotenuse we use for sine theta. And see, my dear, I have written 6 trigonometric function in this order. This is my humble request to you. Always memorize the trigonometric function in same order. In this order. Follow this. Don't break this order. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Because in just a while, after 5 to 6 minutes, you will be finding that the cosec is the reciprocal of sine, cos is the reciprocal of sec, and tan is the reciprocal of cot. So that's why we follow this order: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. So sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and after sine, which trigonometry comes up? Cos. So cos is basically this base by hypotenuse, and this will be, my dear, tan theta, tan theta. Same order. Please follow same order that I followed here. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. So sine is P by H, cos is B by H, tan is B by P. Now it's turn to move this cosec, sec, cot. So cosec is H by P in reverse form. So cosec theta is basically, you know, hypotenuse by perpendicular. And similarly, after cos, which comes? Sec comes. So sec is basically hypotenuse by base, my dear. And if we talk about cot, so cot is basically B by P. Come on, B by P. So if you memorize this order, let me tell you one thing honestly. This whole part, this is itself 40% of trigonometry. Yes, my dear, only this format give you clarity of 40% of trigonometric world. Come on, this is very important, my dear. So if we apply this formula in this right angle triangle, so sine theta is basically P by H. So for this theta, P is what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB, and the hypotenuse will be AC. If we write here cos theta, cos is B by H. So my dear champion, B by H. So for theta, B is BC, and hypotenuse will be AC. If I talk about tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So where is perpendicular? AB. Where is base? BC. If I talk about cosec theta, cosec is the just reverse of this. Sine, the reverse of sine is cosec. The reverse of cos is sec. The reverse of tan is cot. So that's why I'm giving you instruction to memorize this trigonometric function in order. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So sec will be what? Cosec will be what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. So can we write here hypotenuse by perpendicular, and which will be AC by AC by AB. Now if we write sec theta, sec is H by P, H by B, H by, what happened? H by B, right? So this is B by H, so H by B will be AC by BC. If we talk about cot theta, cot is B by P, base by perpendicular, so it will be BC by AB, BC by AB. I hope till here nothing is challenging, my dear student, for you all. yeah, it's there. Sony, yeah, you can memorize by using this. So don't type same thing again and again, Sony. This is my humble request, please. Very good. Very good, very good. Who is this? Okay. Superb. I hope this is clear to you all, everyone. So please memorize these trigonometric function in order, the order that I followed here. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, theta. This will make your trigonometric easier and comfortable to understand. So this is all about trigonometric function. So let's take this example here, my dear. This example, okay. So in triangle ABC, right angled at C. Okay. In triangle ABC, right angle at C. So this will be right angle. So you can take AB or AB in this format, doesn't matter. Either you can write A here, B will go there, and you can write A here, B will go there, or A here, B. Doesn't matter. No need to worry about that. So in triangle ABC, right angle at C. Perfect. If cosec A, come on. Please focus on both cosec and A. Cosec is there and A is also there. Cosec will give you that the ratio will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse, this is cosec. Can you see here? This is cosec. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. But for what angle? For which angle? For angle A. So if I ask you, my dear, if I ask you, this is angle A and cosec A is given to you. So cosec A is equal to 5 by 3. Right? So can we write here? Because this is in a ratio, so we can write this form. 5x by 3x, because the ratio is there. So to find out exact value of the side, we have to take a variable there. So 5x by 3x, right? Now, cosec is what, my dear? Cosec is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So if we consider this ratio hypotenuse by perpendicular, it means hypotenuse will be 5x and the perpendicular will be 3x. Getting my point? But listen, for which angle? For angle A. So for this angle, this angle is associated with AC. So AC will be the base. Yes. So perpendicular will be here, this perpendicular, and hypotenuse this. So basically, this is 5x and this is, my dear, 3x. And question is asking find tan B, cos A, cot A. So in, my dear, in cos is what? B by hypotenuse. So you required base also. So first find out the base by using Pythagoras theorem. Right, so we all know Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square. This is right angle triangle. Na? Perpendicular square plus BC square. Hypotenuse is 5x. So 5x square. AC will be what? I don't know AC. We have to find out AC square. Plus BC will be what, my dear? 3x whole square. Right, so 5x square will be what? 25x square will be there. And we want AC. So keep it as it is. And this is 3x square can also be written as 9x square. Can we shift this 9x square this side? So 25 minus 9 will be 16x square is equal to AC square. On removing a square, this will go under root. So AC will be equal to under root 16x square. So AC can also be written as 4x. I hope you are getting me. Under root 16 is 4 and x is. You might be thinking, sir, why you are finding AC? My dear champion, because here you all can see cos A is there. So cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. So for angle A, base is AC. So we require this. So AC is equal to 4. Now you can find anything. Now you can find any trigonometric ratio, my dear. Now you can find any trigonometric ratio. Yes, who is this? Now you can find any trigonometric ratio. Okay, so my dear, first find out tan B. Come on, first is tan B. Listen, tan is there. So tan will give you the clue for ratio. If tan is there, it means perpendicular by base will be there. But don't ignore the angle. Angle is also there. Tan means perpendicular by base will be there. But for angle B, come on, for angle B. So for angle this is angle B, my dear, this angle B. So for this angle B, perpendicular will be AC. Come on. And the base will be BC. I hope you are getting my point. So whenever you are finding out the trigonometric ratio, focus on both trigonometric part and angle. Trigonometric part and angle. Then only you will be able to decide which side will be perpendicular, which will be base, which will be perpendicular, which will be base. It's all about angle. Okay, so now put the values. So tan B will be, what is AC? AC we have is 4x, right? And what BC is what? 3x. So x cancels, so the answer is 4 by 3. Similarly, we want cos A. Cos A. What is cos, my dear? Cos is basically base by hypotenuse. But again, focus on angle A also. This is cos A. Cos will give you information that the ratio will be B by H. But for which angle? For angle A. So for angle A, base will be AC. Right, because angle A is associated with this side. So this will be the base. Right, base by hypotenuse, which is AB. So we have AC. AC is 4x. And hypotenuse is 5x. So x cancel, answer is 4 by 5. Again, we want to find cot A. Now, my dear, what is cot A? Cot is base by perpendicular. So can we write here base by perpendicular? But, angle is also there. According to angle A. So for angle A, the base will be BC. Come on, my dear. For angle A, the base will be, AC. Right? And perpendicular will be BC. Yes. So AC is what, my dear? 5x. AC is 5x. And BC, where is BC? BC is 3x. X cancel, so the result is 5 by 3. This is the result in front of you. This is the result in front of you, everyone. I hope everything is clear to you all. Yes, let me know, my dear. Let me know everything is clear. You all are there. So please, this is my personal suggestion to you all. If you want to get full marks in trigonometric ratio, please go and memorize these values first. And these trigonometric ratio. And in same order, the order that I am following here, sine, cos, and cosec, sec, cot. You guys should also follow the same order. Right, my dear champions? I hope everything is clear. Yes, everything is. Just let me know in chat section. Yes, sir, my doubt is clear now. Write down in chat section. Yes, you all are there and you all are enjoying the session. Just write down. Okay. Okay. Now, moving to next part, relation between trigonometric ratios. So, relation between trigonometric ratio means what? Just listen, my dear. Yes. Yes, my dear. Just let me know you all are there. So, relation between trigonometric ratio. Listen, my dear. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Is that clear? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Cosec theta is nothing. Cosec is the reciprocal of this. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Similarly, sec theta is hypotenuse by base. And if I ask you cot theta, so cot theta is base by perpendicular. These are the trigonometric ratios. But look at the topic. Yes, sir, clear? Yes, sir. Voice, are you having any problem regarding voice, Deeksha? Okay. Hi, Prishu. Hi, Kavya. Yes, Avri. Thank you. Okay, listen, my dear. So what are the relation between trigonometric ratios? Listen, can you see sine theta? Sine theta is P by H. But if you look at cosec theta, so cosec theta is H by P. Wow. Cosec theta is H by P. So if we multiply both sine theta into cosec theta, their right hand side will also be multiplied. P by H into H by P. So H cancel, P cancel. So we are getting 1 here. It means that sine theta can be written as 1 by cosec theta. Yes, my dear, sine theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, or it can also be written as, if we shift this sine theta there, so it can also be written as cosec theta will be equal to 1 by sine theta. I hope you are getting my point. So basically, my dear champions, sine theta and cosec theta both are reciprocal of each other. Yes, let me know, my dear. You all are there. Who is this? Who is this? Hello, everyone. Superb, superb, very good. So, sine theta and cosec theta both are reciprocal of each other. Now, if we talk about second pair, look at second pair. Let me use another color of pen so that you guys can make difference. So, if we talk about cosec theta, look at cosec theta and sec theta. Can you see cos theta and sec theta? Cos theta and sec theta. My dear, cos theta is B by H and cosec theta is H by B. So, if we multiply both the functions, cos theta into sec theta will be equal to B by H into H by B. So here also H can say, wow. So here cos theta can be written as 1 by sec theta. If we shift this sec theta that side, but if we can shift cos also. So if we shift cos that side, so we can write this formula as sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So here we have proved sec and cos both are reciprocal of each other. Now in third case, let me use another color of pen so that you guys can differentiate it. Okay, now blue color. So my dear champion, if you look here, if we look here tan theta is b by p, p by b, but cot theta is b by p. So if we multiply these two, it's not visible I think, yeah. So blue color will work. Okay, so tan theta into cos theta. So if we multiply these two, so tan theta into cot theta, can we write here? Tan theta is p by b and cot theta is b by p. Right, b cancel, p. Wow, again 1. So it means that tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta, first situation, and cot theta can also be written as 1 by tan theta. So my dear champion, please keep these reciprocal relations in mind, my dear. This will help you a lot. Listen, this will help you a lot, my dear. This is my humble request to you guys. Please focus on these relations. Now, okay, so this was the first relation, reciprocal relation. So we can write here a reciprocal relation. We have proved reciprocal relation. Okay. Now one more thing is very important, my dear. Can you see sin theta p by h and cos theta b by h? If we divide both sin theta by cos theta, so their ratio will also divide. So this can be written as p by h divided by b by h. Okay, so h will cancel, we are getting p by b. H will cancel and we are getting result p by b. And what is p by b? Come on, p by b is tan theta. So we got a new formula. The ratio of sin theta divided by cos theta can be written as tan theta. I hope you are getting the point. But when you can write this formula? When the angle will remain same. Means tan theta is there, so you can write tan theta in the form of sin by cos. Let me tell you, if tan x is there, so tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Angle must be same. Angle should be same. I hope you are getting my... Now look, my dear, cot theta is what? 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So if we take the reciprocal of this, so by taking the reciprocal cos theta by sin theta, it will also go in reciprocal 1 by tan theta. And look, my dear, 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So we got another formula, cos theta by sin theta can be written as cot theta. So I hope you are getting my point. So these two formulas are very important in proof type question. When you will be doing proof type question of trigonometric, these two formula will be playing very crucial role there. Very important role. Cot theta is sin by cos, right? And sin is, cot is what? Cos by sin. I hope you are getting my point. Just write down in comment section, who is this? Sony, what you are doing here? I've already warned you thrice. Don't do this. Why you are putting same comments again and again? Stop this. Don't break the decorum of live session. This is my humble request to you. Please. Otherwise, I will be informed to my technical team to block you forever. Don't do this. And once you will be blocked, you will not be able to come on channel and go through any lecture. So don't do this, please. Okay? The student who is having any kind of doubt, don't ask me. You can directly write the doubt in comment section. After the completion of live session, we will talk about your doubt. In between, I cannot, because very important session I'm giving you all. One short lecture, one short video of trigonometry. Okay, so see, whatever the formula is being boxed here, this box, 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 all the formulas are important. All the formulas are important. All the formulas are important. Okay, now moving to the next part. I hope you are getting my point. And let me tell you, these two formulas are very important. Yes, my dear, if you are ignoring, you will be costing deduction of marks in your exam. These two formula, I can put here, 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very, 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 very important. Yes, very important. Yes. Captain. Thank you, Sonu. Yes. I hope everything is clear. Now moving to next part, questions. Let's do some questions. So let's begin. So I have brought up question here from the year 2008. From the year 2008. From the year 2008. Okay. Crystal clear. Thank you. So my dear, look at the question. Okay. Look at see the question. Calmly. Calmly. With peace mind. See the question. 10 is given to you. Now 10 is given to you, but focus on angle also. Don't ignore the angle. Focus on angle also. So my dear, 10c is given to you root 3. I can solve this question by so many methods. If 10c is root 3, you all know 10 gives root 3 at 60 degree. So c has to be 60 degree. So if you know the angle, you can find out the value. But we will not follow that because I haven't teach you trigonometric value. This is the next topic, so I cannot use that formula. But we have talked about trigonometric ratio. So my dear champion, in a triangle ABC, right angle at B. So with very carefulness, draw the right angle triangle. This is the this is the right angle triangle. No. I cannot write A here or here. A is a right angle. So A will be here. A is here. Now you can put BC here or BC here, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So let's say B is here and C is here. Now my dear champion, if 10C is given to you, first let me know what is 10. What is 10? 10 is basically perpendicular by base. Don't ask me again, sir, how you are writing perpendicular. Oh my dear, 10 is perpendicular by base. I have already taught you P by B, P by B, P by B, P by B. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. But make sure to mention C also, for C, and C is here, this angle is here. So my dear champion, can we write root 3 as root 3x? And if nothing is here, means 1 is here, so x will be there. Root 3x by x. And we all know 10c is there, so 10 is what? First, 10 is what? Perpendicular by base. But for which angle? C angle. So for this angle, this will have to be base. AC will be the base. Why? Because C is associated with AC. So AC will be the base. So this is base, which is x. Wow. And this is perpendicular for this angle. This is perpendicular. So this is root 3x. I hope you are getting my point. So can we find out this BC? So by Pythagoras, BC square can be calculated by AC square plus AB square. Okay, BC square will be what, my dear? AC is what? AC. AC. Where is AC is x. This is x square. Plus AB, what? Root 3x square. Root 3x whole square. So BC square will be x square, root 3 square will be root will remove, 3x square plus x square will be 4x square. If we remove this square here, this whole family will undergo root. So under root 4 is 2 and x square will be, oh wow, base is 2x. So we got here, this is 2x. Now look what we have to find out. Oh my God, sin B into cos C plus cos B into sin C. My dear, what I've told you, whenever you want to write the trigonometric ratio, please focus on trigonometric function as well as angle. Please focus on trigonometric function as well as angle. So if you see here, sine is there. But sine is there for which angle? For B angle. Come on, for which angle? For B angle. And sine is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine is what? Perpendicular by this. Keep this perpendicular by hypotenuse in mind. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular by but for which angle? For angle B. So for angle B, my dear, for angle B is here, this angle. For angle B, perpendicular will be AC. Come on, perpendicular will be AC. By hypotenuse, hypotenuse is king, hypotenuse is BC. And now cos, cos is what? Cos is base by hypotenuse. Please keep this in mind. Keep it in mind. Base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. But for which angle? For which angle? For angle C. Look, cos C is there. So cos is based by hypotenuse. This is clear, you all. But for which angle? For C angle. So for C base will be AC. Wow, base will be AC. By hypotenuse will be, this is hypotenuse which is BC. Don't worry, my dear, I am here. Now talk about cos B. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. But for which angle? Angle B. For this angle, base will be AB. By hypotenuse will be BC. Into sine. Sine is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. But for which angle? C angle. So for this C angle, perpendicular will be AB. And this will be BC. So can we write here? This is AC by BC whole square plus AB by BC whole square. Now put the values. Where is AC? Where is AC? AC is X. Divided by where is BC? BC is 2X. Wow, whole square. Plus, where is AB? AB is root 3x. Wow! Where is BC? BC, 2x. Okay. X will cancel x. X will cancel, a square is there. So 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 square will be 3 by 4. Root will be removed. 2 square will be 4. Can we take LCM, my dear? So LCM will be 4. 1 plus 3. Come on. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 will be 4 by 4. 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Answer 1. Who answered correct here? Mika. Yes, Kavya, correct. You are correct here. Yes, superb. Kavya is correct here. Yes, who answered? No one. Only Kavya. Very good. Okay. Yes. Hello, everyone. More clear than crystal. Wow. Yes. Very good. Please, my dear, focus on your exam, focus on questions and practice along with me. You have only 8 days for study, for revision. This is the truth. Don't ignore this 8 days. Okay, please focus on this 8. This 8 days will decide your future, your marks. Yeah, we know marks, sometimes marks not matter, but so many times marks matter. Let me tell you. Yes, my dear. Very good. Okay. Okay, now moving to the next question. So next topic is trigonometric ratio of specific angle. Trigonometric ratio of specific angle. So my dear, let me tell you. So in previous, see, I have already recorded one more video. No, not recorded. I was on live session. Yes, of course, I remember. I came on live session, I think few days ago, and I taught you guys one-shot trigonometry before. So in that video, I have explained you each and everything how we guys can prove these values. Yes, my dear, I remember. So if you want to get clarification on these values, how these values comes up, my dear, so you guys can go and watch the video, my one-shot video of trigonometry. Everything will be clear. So in this, because we are going quickly revision, my dear, one-shot quickly revision, my dear. So that's why I'm not going to derive this anymore. We all know this. Okay, so you guys go and watch the video. Okay, sine theta, sine 0 degree, theta means this theta is here. Okay, these are the theta. So sine 0 degree will be 0. Let me use red color, or I think black color will be visible to this. Okay, so sine theta, sine 0 is 0. We all know sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is equal to, my dear, 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree, if we talk about sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is basically equal to 1. if we talk about cos, so my dear, you don't need to just feel difficulty, any kind of troubling thing here to put the values of cos. If you are able to fill the values of sine, you just need to reversing the order. So if sine 90 is 1, so this 1 will come here. So this is 1, my dear. Root 3 by 2, so cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 will come. Now 1 by root 2, this will be exact same because 5 values are there, so middle value will overlap. 1 by 2 is here, so 1 by 2 will be here. Sine 60 is 1 by 2. And 0 is here, so 0 will go there. Now, I have just given you a formula like tan theta, my dear, tan theta is equal to, I hope you know this formula, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. But the condition is that angle must be equal. If you want to find out tan 45, so yes, you can find out the value of tan 45 if you write the value in this format, sine 45 by cos 45. If you divide sine 45 from cos 45, this will give you the result of tan 45, right? So sine 45 you can see here 1 by root 2, right? And cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, both families are same, so they will cancel each other, so result is 1. So if you have successfully filled the values of sine and cos, tan is nothing to you. You just need to divide first row from the below one. If you need to divide these values from the below one, you can get the value of tan theta. So if we divide 0 from 1, so this will be 0. If we divide 1 by 2 from 1 root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, so only 1 by root 3 will be there. If we divide 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1 will be there. If we divide root 3 by 2 from 2, so this will be root 3. And if we divide 1 from 0, my dear, infinity, which is also called not defined. Yes, my dear, this is not defined. Now, my dear, you all know, if you have already filled the three trigonometric functions, sine, cos, tan, and I have already told you so many times, my dear, the remaining three, the last three trigonometric functions are the reciprocal. Yes, my dear, the reciprocal of sine is cosec, the reciprocal of sec is cos. So you just need to reverse the order. So my dear, if 0 is here, so can we imagine 0 by 1? For 0, we can imagine 0 by 1. And if we write 0 by 1 by 1 by 0, so the condition will be not defined. I hope you are getting my point. So the condition will become not defined. So basically, cosec 0 is equal to infinity, and which is called not defined, my dear. Now, if we talk about cosec 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So we are taking the reciprocal, this will be 2. Now, this 1 by root 2 will be what? Root 2 by 1, so this will be root 2. Root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3, my dear. And 1 will be, the reciprocal of 1 will be the 1. So this is all about my magic. So for cosec, we just need to take the reciprocal of sine. For sec, we need to take the reciprocal of cos. And for cot, we need to take the reciprocal of cot. Because all three are, relating with each other. The relation is reciprocal relation. So what we will do for cosec value, for sec value, we need to take the reciprocal of cos, my dear. So the reciprocal of 1 will be 1. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2, this 1 by root 2 will be, the reciprocal of 1 by root 2 will be root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2. And the reciprocal of 0, we can imagine 0 as 0 by 1, 0 by any number. So if we take the reciprocal of 0 by 1, it will become 1 by 0. And 1 by 0 will be infinity, which is also, we can say, no defined condition. Similarly, to fill the cot value, take the reciprocal of 0. So 0 means 0 by 1, we can imagine 0 by 1. So if we take the reciprocal 1 by 0, it will become infinity. Now, root 3 by 1 will be root 3. Now, this 1, the 1 will be 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. Root 3, can we imagine root 3 by 1? So reciprocal of root 3 by 1 will be what? 1 by root 3. So can we write here? Root 1 by root 3. Now, this is magical. Infinity is there. So can we imagine why infinity is there? It means that any number will be divided by, any number is divided by 0. So if any number is divided by 0, and if we take the reciprocal, so it will become 0 by 1. and 0 by 1 will be 0. 0 by 1 will be 0. The reciprocal of infinity will be 0. I hope you are getting me. This is the way how we can fill the trigonometric ratio of some specific angle. Hi Vidya. Hi everyone. Okay, yes everyone. I hope everything is clear. Just let me know in chat section. Yes sir, this is clear. Very good. Hi everyone. Yes, yes everyone. Thank you. If you guys have already memorized these values, very good my dear. I know some technical problem in voice my dear. You guys can compromise. You all are so sweet my dear. So see, in technology sometimes it happens. So you all know, you can understand. So in mathematics, if you are focusing on screen, this will be enough for you. In mathematics you need some explanation how I am writing, how I am solving the question. So you guys can compromise today. Thank you so much my dear champion. My dear champion. Clear captain. Thank you Sonu. Okay. 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 Oh, you are Vidhayak? Vidhayak. My uncle is Vidhayak. Very good. Okay. So you guys, sweet of you. How sweet of you everyone. You can understand, okay? Okay. Okay. Moving to next point. So I hope you remember, you have memorized these values. Okay. Moving to next. Okay. Look at the question. Okay, so I hope you all are there. Some technical problem. The camera was switched off. Okay, blackout. Nothing blackout, my dear. Nothing is blacked out. Come on, stay here. Okay. Okay, Divyanshu, Solo, Vidhayak ji. If you are Vidhayak, I'm MP. No, I'm captain. Sorry, guys. I've already assigned by you all as a captain, so that is enough for me. Okay. Hello, Sonia. Hi, Ayush. Hi, Ayushi. So confusing. So confusing. Okay. Okay. So yes, just tell me answer, my dear. Just let me know answer. I'm waiting for your response, my dear champions. I'm waiting for your response. Answer. Come on, come on. I want answer from all of you. Yes. Answer. Just tell me answer. Very good. Very good. Come on, my dear Ved Parmar, Solo, everyone, answer. Give me answer. I am waiting for your response. K is minus 4 by 3. Kavya has responded. Solo is responded minus 4 by 3. Okay. 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 Minus 4 by 3. Let's see. Let's see. I am waiting for others' response. So many students are there. Who is this civic sense and all? Who is talking about civic sense? Only talk about maths, trigonometry, pair of linear equation, probability, real numbers till 17th February. After that you can talk anything, my dear. But till 17th February only talk about maths. Okay. I am waiting for others' response. Superb. So let's do. The question is, if 4k equals to 10 square, oh my god, nothing is here. Look, my dear, if 4k is equal to, my dear, 10 square 60. Come on, yaar. Tan 60 is root 3. Now don't ask me, sir, how you are writing the value. Oh, let's see, tan 60, this, root 3, so root 3 square, because 10 is in square form. Now, minus 2 cosec 30. Sir, cosec 30? Cosec 30. I don't know cosec 30. You don't know cosec 30, but you know na, cos 30. No, sir, we don't know cos 30 also. So don't study maths. No idea. If you don't know cosec 30, but you should know the cos 30. Yes, cos 30 is basically root 3 by 2. And if cos 30 is root 3 by 2, no, for cosec, sine should be there. Sir, you are also making mistake. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And you know, sine 30 is 1 by 2, so what will be cosec 30? Sir, we know cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so this will be 2. Cos is the reciprocal of sec, but here is cosec, my dear. I know you guys know the values. I was just making fun on you. I also deserve to make fun on you guys, because you guys do usually. So minus 2 cosec square 30 degree, and cosec square 30 is what? Sine 30. So sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. So 2 will be there, 2 square. Minus tan 30, we don't know tan 30. Why you don't know tan 30? You should know that tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and a square is there. This is the value. These are the value. Namaskara, Arambian. Thank you so much, Aram. Namaskar, Aram. Very good. Okay, so let's do. So 4k root 3 square will be only 3, minus 2 square will be 4, and 4 into 2 will be 8, minus 1 by root 3 square will be 1 by 3. Yes, my dear, can we solve this? Can we take LCM here? No, sir. Don't take LCM. 3 minus 8 will be directly minus 5, and minus 1 by 3. Now you can take LCM. Yes, so 4k, can we take LCM? So 3 will be LCM. So we are getting here minus 15, minus 1, because 3 is LCM. So 4k is equal to minus 15 minus, this is minus 16 by 3. So k will be equal to minus 16 by 4 into 3. K is in multiplication form, that will go there, 4 will cancel this 4. So we are getting here k is equal to minus 4 by 3. Yes, I think who answered correct? Who answered correct? Let me check it once. Yeah, Ayush is correct here, Solo is correct here, and Kavya is correct there. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So minus 4 by 3 is correct answer. Nothing is challenging. Let me tell you, nothing is challenging. If you know the values, your answer will be in front of you. Your answer will be on your, pinch. If you know the values. But if you don't know values, nothing is going to be happen. Okay. So let's do this question. Let's do this question. Look at the question. 2, 10, 30, 6, 60, 10, 40 divided by, and this question is PYQ from the year 2024. From the year 2024. So let's do. So, my dear champions, look my dear. So 2 into 10, 30. 10, 30 is nothing. This is equal to 1 by root 3. Sec 60, you don't know sec 60, but you know cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And if cos 60 is 1 by 2, sec will be 2 by 1. Yes, my dear. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 will be 2 by 1. So we can write only 2. Okay. Into. Everything is in multiplication form. 1045. 1045 is 1. So this is all about numerator. We have already put it their value. Now 1 minus sine square 60 degree. Sine 60 is what, my dear? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Now can't you solve this? Can't you solve this? Yes, my dear, you all can solve this because your mathematics is too good. I know, you all are, your mathematics is too good. I know everyone. So 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 by, can you please switch off your game? Yeah, please. So 2 to 4, 4 by root 3, and here 1 minus root 3 by 2 square will be 3 by 4. Now can we solve this? So 4 by root 3 will be the numerator, and if we take the LCM here, 4 will go there. 4 minus 3 divided by 4. So we are getting here 4 by root 3 divided by 4 minus 1 will be 1. 1 by 4. Can we solve? 4 will go there. 4 4 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 4 ja. This will multiply. The uppermost value will be multiplied with lowermost value because both fractions are there. And both the fractions are in division form. So 4 into 4 will be 16 by root 3 answer. 16 by root 3. Yes, Kavya, very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. What you guys, what others are doing here? You are not serious, my dear. Your exam is so close. Your maths exam is so close. But still you guys are, what nonsense you are talking, my dear. Just focus on here. If you are not able to do the question, at least you guys can see the screen. At least you guys can, show your attention. That will be enough for you. Don't, you guys are indulging in talking with each other. What is going on? I don't know, yaar. Your exam is so close, your maths, and you guys are taking maths very lightly. Come on. Very good, Arambian. These questions are very super easy for me now. Very good, Arambian. Stay blessed. Superb. Because see, my dear, what I'm saying, you might be thinking, sir is very, sir is become angry frequently. See, I'm just telling you these things for your future. How you guys are going to make your parents proud? How you guys are going to feel them proud, my dear? Study for them also. You guys are just here coming in live session. You are wasting your time here. I don't know why. I have also been like you once upon a time, right? I never compromise with my study. In previous session, previous life, someone was asking me, sir, how much you scored in your 10th board exam? I'm going to reveal this. Yeah, I will reveal this to everyone. But if you maintain the decorum of live session, then only I can reveal it. Otherwise, I'm not going to share this with you anymore. Yes, my dear. Please focus on question. At least you guys can see the screen. If you're not solving with pen and copy, you're not sitting with pen and copy, but at least you can focus your attention here. Now, how I'm solving the question, my dear champions. Hi, Adarsh. Okay. See, my dear, listen. No, I'm not getting angry at all. I'm not getting angry at all, my dear. Who is this? Kani is this. I'm not getting angry. See, you are bonded with me. I'm connected with you. So what should be my responsibility for you all? To guide you. Not only academically, non-academically as well. What you guys are doing in daily life, how you guys are studying maths, how much time you are giving to your self-study, how you are doing self-study, everything. Everything. This is my responsibility. I'm not getting angry at all. This is all about, if you study, you get marks. If you will not study, you can't get the marks. Simple, see. Okay. Okay, someone is asking why 3 is there. You can leave this answer as it is, or if you want to rationalize this, you can rationalize. Let me tell you, 16 by root 3 can also be rationalized. Someone is writing in chat section, sir, how Kavya is getting one more root 3 is there. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So we can write this answer in this form. This is also the answer. So she did that. So you guys are getting confused. Yes. Very good. Very good. You can leave this answer as it is, or you can rationalize. So by rationalizing, you can get the answer. I hope, Solo, your doubt is clear now. Moving to next question. Look at the question. If A, B are acute angles such that sin A minus B equals to 0, first condition is 0, and cos A plus B minus 1 is equals to 0. This condition is given to you, and A and B both are acute angles. You know this table, the angle in this table, every angle is less than or equal to 90 degrees. So these are the acute angles. The angle less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. And in 10th class, we are dealing with trigonometry, and we are talking about only angles which are smaller than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. We are not moving beyond 90 degree. But in PUC 1, PUC first year or 11th standard, my dear, in higher classes, you will be dealing with other angles also, more than 90 degree, right? So we will be dealing with obtuse, triangle angle and everything. But here, all the angles are acute, okay? So AB are acute angles such that sin A minus B equals to 0. Now, my dear, if I ask you, at which angle sine gives you 0 value. So can we write here in this format sine a minus b, and 0 can be replaced by sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. So you can see both sides sine is there. So angle must be equal to each other. So a minus b equals to 0. So b can go there. So we have proved a is equals to b. We couldn't get the answer. So to get the value of a and b, we have to apply trigonometry again here also. So cos a plus b. Now can you see here this value? So cos a plus b minus 1 equals to 0. Can we shift this? And 2 is also there, my dear. This 2 is also there. Okay, so 2 will go there, 1 also go there. So cos a plus b and minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. 2 is in multiplication. Now if I ask you at which angle cos give you 1 by 2. So the result is, we can write in this format also. If you have become ultra pro, you can directly write the value. A plus b must be 60 degree. And if you want to replace this 1 by 2, you can write 1 by 2 as cos 60. Right? This is, you can also write in explained form. So 1 by 2 can also be written as cos 60. So both side cos is there. So angle must be equal to each other. So a plus b is 60 degree. This is second equation. So first relation a equals to b. Second relation a plus b 60. Can we replace a from b or b from a? Yes, we can replace. So from first and second, b will be replaced by a. We can write here region also from first. Okay, a plus a will be what, my dear? 2a. 2a is 60 degrees, so a will be, my dear, 30 degree. And if a is 30 degree, b will also 30 degree. So b will also be 30 degree. I hope you are getting my answer. I hope you are getting this. I hope you are getting this. Hi Zafir, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's live session, my dear. Okay. Okay. Yes, Divyanshu, 2 cos is there. Same question I got in pre-board exam. It is easy. Very good. If you looks this question as easy as per your mentality, that's very good, my dear. 30 is correct answer. Yes, Kavya. No, Divyanshu, 60 will not be the answer, my dear. Both angle A and angle B both will remain same. 30 and 30. Hi Zarif. Yeah, Zarif is there. Okay, so let's move to the next question. I hope everything is clear. Okay, now moving to the next question. Note question. Now your favorite portion of trigonometry has come in front of you, everyone. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identity. Who is there? Who is there? Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric. I don't know anyone, my dear. I don't know anyone of this name, Zarif. But I know all of you, my dear students and everyone. So the student who is new here and who has not subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button, or and one more thing, my dear, go and hit the like button also. Share this live session with your friends who is having problem in trigonometry, because I am going to make trigonometry totally fun-filled for you all today. So let's start. Okay. So trigonometric identities. So my dear champions, this portion is very important, because on the basis of this portion, you guys are going to solve the proof type questions. To solve the proof type question comfortably, to encounter the proof type question in trigonometry, which will give you sure shot 4 to 5 marks generally. So proof type question generally comes in the category of 3 marks and 4-5 marks, my dear. Right? So to do the proof type question of trigonometry, which is most troubling and scaring to you all, I know. So you must focus on trigonometric identities. So let's start. Okay. So trigonometric identities, my dear. So there are 3 trigonometric identities. How many trigonometric identities, my dear? 3 trigonometric identities. Okay. Okay. So first trigonometric identity is sine square theta. Sine square theta, the first trigonometric identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first trigonometric identity. In previous live session of one-shot video of trigonometry, I have explained everything. Even I have proved this, how this identity comes up, how this identity is verified, derived. So if you are having problems, sir, how you are writing this identity, how you came to know this identity look like this, sine square theta plus cos square, is there any proof? So my dear, go and you guys can see, you can watch my previous live session of trigonometric one shot video. In that video, everything is cleared, my dear. But today we are giving a quick revision of one shot trigonometry, so I cannot proceed that again and again. Okay, so you guys go, you must go and watch that video. So this is the first identity, my dear. Okay, so if sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, let me tell you, this is not only one identity. There are 3 more identities are hidden, not identity, but 3 more format, 3 more forms are hidden behind this. 3 more forms. Let me tell you what are the forms. My dear, if I send this sine that side, so can we write this as cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta? This is the original one. This is the original one. But by modifying this, we can get this format also. And in second situation, we can also send this cos that side. So sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So this is not only single one identity. It is having this 2 more identity, and sometime this one is also replaced by this whole function. Come on, my dear. This one is replaced by this whole function. Yes. So this is not only one single identity. It carry 3 more identities. It carry, yes, Janveet, it can be asked, but I have already, proved in previous live session. What you need to do, let me summarize this for you. Right, take a right angle triangle, take theta here, and this is A, B, C, right? Apply Pythagoras theorem. So you know Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square, right? Divide this Pythagoras theorem from AC square both sides. So AB by AC square will be there plus BC by AC square will be there, and AC square will be 1. Now AB by AC is what? For this theta, AB will be perpendicular, and this is AC's hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, and perpendicular by hypotenuse is what? Sine theta. So a square is sine square theta, and this is BC by AC. BC is what? BC is base. We are considering this theta. So base is there, base by hypotenuse, and base by hypotenuse is cos theta, and a square is there. So look, we have proved. This is the magic. We have proved here. Okay. So go and watch my previous live session of live video that is still on channel, my dear. So I have explained everything in that video, my dear. So before studying exam, I think you should watch that video. Okay. Now, second format, second identity. Look at this second identity, very important identity, is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is the original, but still it carry 2 more identity. My dear, if I send this 1 that side, if I bring this 1 this side, so tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1, if you agree. And we can also bring this tan square theta that side. Yes, my dear. So 1 will be equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this is not only single identity. It carry 2 more identities, 2 more format, I can say, not identity but form, we can say. I hope you are getting my point. Now third is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Again, this is the original one, but it is not carry only this format. It has 2 more formats, 2 more modification. So if we send this 1 that side, so cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta minus 1. And one more identity, one more format, we can also send this cot square that side. So 1 equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. As per our requirement, whenever we required to replace 1 in proof type question where cosec and cot is there, so 1 can be replaced by this cosec square theta minus cot square theta. I hope you are getting my point. Yes, Janveet, I hope this is clear to you all. I hope this is, yes, thank you so much for explaining. Thank you. See, you all are very important for me, right? That's why each one of you, if you are having any kind of doubt, so every doubt matters for me, my dear. I cannot ignore you guys at all. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. So how many identities are there? Yes, original are 3. These 3 identities are there, but their modified forms are there. There are so many modified forms are there, very powerful, and I have derived in previous video of one shot video of trigonometry. If you want to go through how these identities derived, go and watch that video, one shot video of trigonometry. Okay, now move to question. Okay, hi everyone. Please focus on question, my dear. Look at the level of question. This is PYQ. Let me tell you PYQ. I forgot to mention the year here, but this is PYQ question. How to do this question? Please focus here. So, 10a plus sec a minus 1 divided by 10a minus sec a plus 1. See, my dear, I found so many times students ask to their maths teachers, sir, how you guys know this will be there, this will be the step, how you guys know, how you apply, what approach you guys use. So listen, let me tell you the approach that teachers generally uses. Let me tell you. Please focus here. Please focus here. So I'm dealing with LHS here. So let me write LHS here. LHS is 10a plus sec a minus 1. I know these kind of questions generally troubles the students a lot. These kind of questions, I know, my dear. Please focus here. Easy. Okay, superb. So, see, how we can solve? To solve this question, there are so many methods. We can solve this question by so many methods. So many methods. But let me tell you one easy one. Easiest one I can say. If I ask you, in left hand side, in this whole family, which trigonometric functions are there? Yes, tan and sec. Tan and sec. So go and focus on the identity we have, tan and sec, tan and sec. This is identity. And here, 1 is there and 1 can be replaced by this. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. So in this question, 1 is also there. So replace this 1. Just wait, just wait. So tan a plus sec a, can we replace this 1? So 1 can be replaced by sec square a minus tan square a. Angle must be same. If you are taking here theta, you can write theta. If you are taking here kabutar, you can write kabutar. If you are taking here whatever you want to take, but the angles should be similar. And here is tan a minus sec a plus 1. Don't replace this. Don't replace this 1 from this. No. Only replace numerator. Why? Let me tell you. Now this is tan a plus sec a. Now can you give me this identity a square minus b square? It looks like a square minus b square. We know a plus b, a minus b. So we can apply a square minus b square here. A square minus b square here. Right? A square minus b square. So it can be written as sec a plus tan a. Right? And one more bracket, sec a minus tan a. Right, my dear champions? Right, my dear champions? And here is tan a minus sec a plus 1. Now look at this family and look at this whole family. Look at this family and look at this whole family. Which family is common? Sec a plus tan a is here and sec a plus tan a is also here. So this is common in both. So can we take common? Yes, we can take common. So we can take common here tan a plus sec a. So what we are getting here? Here at this position we have already taken common. So 1 will be there. Minus this sec a minus tan a will be there. Can we open the bracket? So if we open the bracket, sec a minus tan a, negative sign is there. So minus sec a will be there. And minus plus tan a will be there. Come on, my dear. Plus tan a will be there. We have opened the bracket. Now can we write here tan a minus sec a plus 1. Match this two. Then look at, focus. 1 is positive, 1 is positive. This is 1. 1 is positive. Sec a negative, sec a negative. Tan a positive, 10. The written order is disturbed, but everything is same. You can write, if 1 minus, you can write this 1 minus sec a plus tan a, everything is same. So this whole bracket will be cancelled. So you are getting here, my dear, tan a plus sec a Now tan A can be written as sin A by cos A, and sec A can be written as 1 by cos. I have given you every formula in today's live session. So can we take here common? Cos A will be common. So we are getting here sin A plus 1. Look at the right hand side. Hence proved. Magic, it's magic, it's magic, it's magic. I hope you are getting my point. Yes, my dear. I hope everything is clear to you all. Yes, just give me. Write in comment section, yes sir, everything is clear. Everything is clear. I am back, Captain. Yes, Solo, thank you. Yes, give me your reply in chat section. Yes, sir, everything is clear. You all are there. I hope everything is clear. Mika, yes, sir, all clear. Kavya, thank you. Look at the approach, how I solved this question. Yes, Captain. Thank you, Solo. Thank you, Solo. Oh, yeah. Hi, Anmol. Hi, sir. Hi, Anmol. Smack that. Yes, I'm waiting for your response. Just give me, show me your involvement. Send me some hearts, my dear. Yes. I know I deserve this small things from you all, guys. Yes. Stay connected. Come on, stay connected, my dear. So moving to next question. Look at the question here. And look at the frequency. NCERT CBSE 2000, this question was in 2000 paper and 2006 compartment. So I think the gapping of almost 19 and 20 years. So you might get this question a bit relatable to this question in this year board exam. Anmol, thank you, Anmol. Adarsh, thank you, Adarsh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Adarsh. Solo is giving heart in words. H-E-A-R-T. Wow, so funny. Kavya, easy question, sir. Superb. Rose for you, Captain. Red or pink rose? What kind of rose is there? Solo? Thank you, bro. Thank you so much, champion. Your performance, your percentage will be, biggest gift for me, my dear. Yes, my dear. Yes, I am. Hi, Manish. Hello. Don't say hello to anyone. Say hello to me first. Okay? Okay. So these questions is going to be, come in your board exam 2026. Let me tell you, you guys can come in my live session after post exam, my dear, when your exam is over, and just tell me, my dear, because these are very important questions. Thank you so much. Very important question, let me tell you, my dear. So focus on board. Chess tips, and I don't know your name here, buddy. Okay, moving to next question. So 1 minus cos theta equals to divided by 1 plus cos theta is equals to this, my dear. So what you need to do here? Operate LHS. Operate LHS. So if 1 minus cos theta is there, divided by 1 plus cos theta. So when two trigonometric functions are in division form, who is this? Please focus on this question, my dear. These questions are very powerful. So when two trigonometric functions come to, guys, please focus. Don't, no, please stop writing anything in chat section. Please focus here. After completion of this solution, you guys can type or whatever you want to write in chat section. Please focus here. Okay. So 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. We have to prove this. Don't worry. If two trigonometric functions Both are same. One is there, cos is there, one is there, but this is in division form and one is in positive, other is in negative. So always rationalize. So if we rationalize this function 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos, you know rationalization, multiply numerator and denominator from this function by changing the sign. After changing the sign, so 1 minus cos theta, and this will also become 1 minus cos theta. I hope you are getting my point. Now 1 minus cos theta, this is 1 minus cos theta, this is 1 minus cos theta. So both are same, so this will be 1 minus cos theta whole square. You know, some student, what they do here, if 1 minus cos theta, they do multiplication, like if I ask you x minus y into x minus y, they write this x square minus, oh my god, this is blunder. Don't make such silly mistakes. This is x minus y into x minus y will not be x square minus y square. It will become x minus y whole square, my dear. You know, in 10th standard, in SLC, so many students made such mistakes. I found in answer sheet. And that is not acceptable. You are so close to your board exam. So, 1 minus cos x into 1 minus cos x. This will be 1 minus cos x cos theta whole square. And look, my dear, this is a plus b into a minus b. Can we write a square? Means 1 square will be obviously 1. 1 square minus cos square theta. A square minus b square. So, my dear champions, 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is 1 minus cos square theta. You remember 1 minus cos square theta? You remember this, my dear? 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Look, it has arrived. Yeah, it has appeared here. So 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Now 1 minus cos is also a square, sin also a square. So if the power is same, so can we write in single bracket 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. If you agree, then only. Power is same, na? If x square divided by y square is there, so we can also write x by y whole square. Same I followed here. This bracket is a square, sin square theta. So now you can see, my dear, the result will be, can we split this? So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, right, whole square. 1 by sin theta is what? Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cos by sin will be what? Cot theta. Each and every formula I have given today in live session. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved, Captain. Very good. Very good. Very good, Kavya is there. Very good. Superb. Superb, everyone. Superb. Hence proved. I hope everything is clear. Now moving to next question. Wow. Wow. One of the powerful question. And look at the frequency. CBSE has asked this question so many times, so many years. Look, 2019, 2023, 2000, and back to back 2023 and 2024. So there, at the gapping of 1 year, we can expect this question. Yeah, not exactly same, but a bit relatable to this question. Hi everyone. Okay. So look, Lucky Singh. Okay. Okay. So this function is given to you very scary. Oh my God, look. It looks very, very scary. Okay, but approach is there. Everything is approach in trigonometry. Okay, so can we operate with LHS? So I am studying operating this LHS. So LHS is 10A divided by 1 minus cot A plus, this is my dear cot A divided by 1 minus 10A. And at the right hand side you can see we have to prove this equal to this function and equal to this function. So let me tell you one thing. If you want to prove this function first, so convert this whole trigonometric function only in tan theta. Only in tan theta. You don't require to change this function in sin and cos. What the student will do, they will directly change this tan A, sin by cos, cos A, cos by sin. So you will get this value. But we have to prove this first. So change in cos. So we all know tan A is there, 1 minus cot can be written as 1 by 10a. Don't ask me, sir, how you are writing this. I have already given you on a first slide, my dear. Cot a is the reciprocal of 10a. And here, this cot a can be written as 1 by 10a divided by 1 minus 10a. I hope you are getting my point. Right? Now, this is 1 here. Can we take LCM? Here, LCM. So, 10 will go there, 10 minus. So, this is 10a into this 10 will go there. 10a divided by, we have already taken LCM. So, this will be 10a minus 1. I hope you are getting my point. After taking LCM, 10a will go there, 10a minus 1, which is here, and this 10a will multiply that 10a. Right? Similarly, here, we don't require to do LCM. So, 1 by 10a, and this is, here is 1. So, 1 will be 1, and this 10a will be multiplied with this. So, 1 by 10a into 1 minus 10a. I hope you are getting my point. Can you see one thing, my dear? This is 10a minus 1, and this is 1 minus 10a. So, what we can do? What we can do? We can make this similar. But this is 10a minus 1, but this is 1 minus 10a. So, to make these two similar, what we need to take? We need to take common here minus. So, minus will leave impact here. This positive sign will convert into negative, and this whole bracket will become 10a minus 1. Right? And this is 10a into 10a will be 10a square a. Just wait, my dear, 10a square a, and this is 10a minus 1, and here minus sign will be there, and 1 upon 10a, and this will go 10a minus 1. I hope you are getting my point. Why I have made these two similar? So that we can take common. So can we take common? So common will be 1 by 10a minus 1. So under bracket, we are having 10a square a divided by 1 minus 1 by 10a. I hope you are getting my point. Now, take LCM. So this is 1 by 10a minus 1. I hope you are getting my point. 1 by 10a minus 1. And if we take LCM here, 1 and 10a, so 1 and 10a, the LCM will be 10a. And this 10a will go there, multiplication. So 10 square into 10 will be 10 cube a. 10 cube a. Minus this 10 1 ja 10, so 1 1 ja 1. Wow. Wow. We all know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. A square plus b square plus ab, this identity. Yes, in trigonometry, you have to be ready with algebraic identity also. A square minus b square, a cube minus b, everything. Anything can appear anywhere. So here, if we look at this 1, so 1 can also be considered, we can imagine 1 cube also. So this is a cube minus b cube. And look at the identity a cube minus b cube. So 1 by 10a minus 1 minus 1. Now can we apply a cube minus b cube? So this will be a minus b. It means 10a minus 1. A square means 10 square a. Plus b square, it means 1. Plus ab, it means 10a into 1. So that will be 10a. Right? A square plus b square plus ab. AB means 10a into a 1. So this will be 10a only. So here is 10a minus 1, 10a minus 1. I hope you are getting, so oh, only 10a is there, no? Why we are writing 10a minus 1 there? So this is 10a, my dear. This is 10a. Okay, okay. Can we cancel this 10a minus 1, this 10a minus 1? And look, my dear, this is 10 square a plus 1 plus 10a divided by 10a. Now, write this format in expanded form. In expanded form, so 10 square a divided by 10a plus 1 by 10a plus 10a by 10a. Wow, wow. This 1 10a will be cancelled here. So only 10a we are having. And my dear, 1 by 10a is what? Cot a. And 10a by 10a is 1. What we have to prove? 1 plus 10a plus cot a. So we have proved 1 plus 10a plus cot a. We have proved. This is the question. This is the question. Yes, I hope this is clear to everyone. Who is this? Who is this? Hello, sir. Hi, George. Ah, George is there. Very good, George. Welcome. Welcome. Very easy, very good. Thank you. Janvit is saying very easy. Very good. If you are considering this question very easy, that's very good. Superb. Superb. I hope everything is clear. Come on. If everything is clear, show me your involvement. Show me your involvement. Rohan. Yes, Rohan, I was waiting for you. You are late, buddy. But don't worry. Still, one short video of some application of trigonometry is remaining. Don't worry. Okay. Captain, I did with LCM. See, whatever you follow the procedure doesn't matter. If you are getting the same result, that's matter. My dear champions, just a second. Okay, so some problem due to some heatness, the camera was switched off. So everything black. Yes, yeah, I'm back, Janvit, I'm back. I am back. Hey, okay. So move to the next question. Wow. Just tell me honestly, in all of you guys, tell me honestly, this is my request, tell me honestly, who can solve this question? Light is not going, light is there. Okay, camera was switched off. Okay, yes, tell me one thing, my dear, this. I am soldier. Very good, Solo. Hats off to your spirit. Very good. Okay, so tell me honestly, who can do this question comfortably? If this question appear in your exam, me, okay, Rohan can do. Yes, you can try, you should try, and you have to try. Solo is there. Yes, just tell me honestly, my dear. Honestly, this is my request. Otherwise, I'm going to make this solution, this question very magical for you. And you know, if I talk about this year pattern, exam pattern, so you will be getting CBQ questions, right? Competency based question means the question will be related to from your day-to-day life, your practical life, whatever is going on in surrounding. The question will be related. And one more thing, such questions, logical question, CBSE is going to ask. So this year exam is not only about marks and all. I can solve this question, sir. Very good, Kavya. This year exam is just not only marks, my dear. Your critical ability, your thinking skill, your willpower, your observation power, everything will be checked. Okay, everything will be checked in this year board exam. I'm not scaring you a lot, my dear, but this is truth. So you have to be ready for each and every kind of question, logical question and everything. Sony, who is this? Who is this? What do you want? What you want? You're challenging to your captain. You don't know I'm having battalion with me. Sonu is there, my all battalion is there, I am the captain of this battalion, but still you are making this. Atta Maji, don't do this, please. I'm requesting you, don't do this. Sony, I'm requesting you, don't do this. Don't spread spam here. Okay, don't do this. Look at the question. So, this question is from 2002. Look at the level of question. Okay. So if cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta, we have to prove cos theta minus sin theta equals to root 2 sin theta. Yes, we have to prove this. Sony, I request you, thank you Thanks for apologizing. Thank you. Don't do this. Please, see, please maintain the... I'm regularly coming on live session. I'm standing here for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours for you all. And I'll be doing this same thing till your board exam. I'm putting my effort. I'm delivering you quality content in maths. I'm expecting you guys, I'm looking to you all as a topper. But what you guys are doing here? Don't do this, please. Yes, I'll be coming on live on 13, 14, 15, 16 February. Everything will be clear. Competency based question, one session will be for that and one session on 13 February. Please, my dear, don't forget to catch me on 13 February because I'll be coming on live session with word problem questions. Only word problem question. The question which give you short 4 to 5 marks in your exam on 13 February. So don't forget this. Don't forget to come on 13th February. Okay, let's do this question. Let's try this question. So my dear champion, if cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta, then what will be sin cos theta minus sin theta? So we have to prove basically, not what will be, we have to prove this equal to root 2 sin theta. So I can solve this so many methods. But again, as per my, method, I will always use to give you very short method, very magical method, my all students. So who is this? Okay, so let's do. So if cos theta, focus here, this is, I can say, competency based question. Focus here, please. If this is given to you, so can we square please both sides? So squaring both sides, if we square both sides, if we square both sides, so cos square theta plus sin square theta will be, yeah, we have a cos square theta plus sin square theta. Huh? Correct? You are supporting me this over. This is correct? Is this correct? You guys used to do this way. I know. So many students used to do. If I ask you to square this function, so you will write this format. I have seen so many answer sheet. No, my dear, two functions are there. So cos theta plus sin theta, the complete family will go in under square. Don't write this. You always write, you always do in this way. I know. That's why I also do this, to make you aware about this, to open your eyes, This will be the format. Squaring on both sides, this will be, the whole family will go under a square. And if we square this, root 2 will be removed, 2, and cos will go in a square from this 2 cos square theta. Now can we open a plus b whole square? So this will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta equals to 2 cos square theta. Sir, how you do questions? Look, this. Who is this? Yes, I hope this is clear. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 2 cos theta sin theta. Now, the logical thing is now going to come. Focus here. Now, my dear champion, listen, my dear champion. Can you see if I shift this 2 cos theta sin theta there, 2 sin theta cos theta there. So can we write here this, and 2 cos square theta, this 2 cos square theta can also be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. If you agree, can we write cos square theta plus cos square theta? Why I am writing sin square theta? Cos square theta plus cos square theta. Agree? Cos square theta plus cos square theta. Right? And I have shifted this whole family there. Just wait. What I am doing here, just wait, my dear. Now, 1 cos theta, cos square theta will be cancelled. Yes, cancelled. Now add sin square theta both sides. Yes, this is the most important thing. add sine square theta both sides. So if we add sine square theta both sides, so sine square theta is already there, and we have added one more sine theta to left hand side, and here also. So cos square theta plus sine square theta and minus 2 cos theta sine theta will be there. Now you might be thinking, sir, why you are adding sine square theta both sides? Because look, this is cos square theta plus sine square theta minus 2 cos theta sine theta minus 2 cos theta sine theta. So it looks that this is an identity, a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So to give it identification of identity, a square plus b square minus 2ab, so that we can write this as cos theta minus sine theta whole square. I hope you are getting my point. Now this whole function can be written as cos theta minus sine theta whole square. So that's why I required one more sine theta here. So to add one more sine theta, we can add sine square theta both sides. We cannot add, this is not allowed in math. If you are doing any operation of addition, so you have to apply that addition both sides. That's why. And this sine square theta plus sine square theta will be 2 sine square theta. I hope you are agreed now. Now my dear, look, this is cos theta minus sine theta whole square. Cos theta minus sine theta whole square, and this is what? 2 sine square theta. Now if we remove a square from here, this whole function will go under root. So cos theta minus sine theta will be equal to under root sine square theta, right? And yes my dear, under root 2 will remain as it is, and sine square theta square is there. So this, wow, we have proved. Look here, we have proved cos theta minus root sine theta, hence proved. This is the level of question, hence proved. Wow, hence proved. I hope everything is clear to you all. Look at the quality of this question. Yes, just let me know who have solved this question carefully and correct answer. He or she who got the correct answer. Just let me know, my dear, hence proved. Who solved this question correctly? Just let me know. Write your name. Yes, sir, I have solved this question correctly. So hence proved, my dear. So very good question. I think very good question. Very, very, very good question. Okay, very, very good question. Very, very good question. So these are the eyes, my dear. Solo is there? Me, sir. Very good. Very good. Hi, sir. Hi, Chandan. Mika. Very good, Kavya. Oh, before than me. Superb. Should I see? Who is this? Okay. Solo, I solved this. It was easy. Very good. I stopped at add sine square on. Yeah, yes, of course, Rohan. This step is one of the most important step. This step. This is the decision maker. This step, very powerful step, I can say. It's all about, observation. Right? It's all about observation. Okay. What happened? Oh. It's so okay, so moving to next question. Question number 8, my dear. Moving to next question, question number 8. Now look at the question. Look at the question. Hi Ayush. Sure. Okay, let's begin. So the question is under root sec theta minus, okay, so this is the question you can see, and look at the frequency in 2001, 2006 complementary, and 2000 compartment is there, and 2023. So my prediction is for this year also. The question a bit related to this question, that trigonometric function will be there in root. So that is the reason why I brought up this question for you all. Okay, so let's do. So under root sec theta minus 1 divided by under root this. So my dear, but you can see here this is 2 cosec theta. Cosec theta? Cosec theta is the reciprocal. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So convert this whole function LHS in sine or sine and cos first, if possible. Okay, convert. Okay, so let me solve this question from here. So my dear champion, look, sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by this sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus 1, right, plus under root this sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus 1, and this sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1. Now can we take here LCM? So cos will go there, 1 minus cos theta will be there, and 1 cos theta, and here this cos will go there, 1 plus cos theta will be there, and divided by cos theta, cos will cancel, and here also cos will go there, so 1 plus cos theta divided by cos theta, right, and here cos will go there, 1 minus cos theta, and this is cos theta, cos cancel. So we are having under root function in the form of cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, and this is also 1 plus, this is 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. This is all about, we have this function. Now you guys can rationalize inside the root. So if we rationalize inside the root, my dear, this function can be written as 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into, rationalize 1 plus cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta will be multiplied in numerator and in denominator, plus similarly here also rationalize, so 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is there, so 1 plus cos theta will be multiplied in numerator as well as in denominator. Now look, this is under root, my dear, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta will go under square, divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1, a plus b, a minus b, so this will be a square minus b square, plus here also look, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, so it will become 1 plus cos theta whole square, divided by a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, so a minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square theta. Now very important, 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta, plus here also 1 plus cos theta whole square, and this is 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Now can you see, my dear, in under root a square is there, so if a square is there, now a square can be removed, so can we write this whole family 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, plus here also 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. I hope everything is clear till here. Now open this, modify this as, expand this 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, here also 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta. Oh my God, cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta minus, so they will be cancelling each other, and we are having 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is what? Cosec theta, and here also 1 by sin theta is what? Cosec theta. So cosec theta plus cosec theta, cosec theta plus cosec theta will be 2 cosec theta, will be 2 cosec theta, right? So 2 cosec theta, hence proved, hence proved. Hence proved. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Very good. Moving to next question. Now look at the question. From the year 2000, from the year 2023. Now can you solve this question? Very easy question. Let me tell you how you guys should solve this question. Convert this cosec theta into this 1 by sin theta, and this sin theta is already there. So sin theta by 1 into convert this sec theta as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is already there. Right? After solving this, you will be getting 1 minus this sin will go there, sin square theta divided by sin theta. Right? Into cos will go there, 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. Right? So 1 minus sin square theta will be cos square theta divided by sin theta into 1 minus cos square theta will be sin square theta divided by cos theta. So one sin will be cancelled here and one cos will be cancelled here. So we are getting here cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Don't worry about the result. Cos theta into, why I am writing 10 again and again. So this is cos theta into sin theta, right? Now don't think about the result. Now come to the RHS. RHS you can see, my dear, 1 by tan theta is there. So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. And this is cot theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. I hope you are getting my point. Now take LCM. So if we take the LCM, my dear, cos into sin. So LCM will be cos theta into sin theta, right? And this sin will go there. So sin square theta plus this cos will go there, cos square theta. And we know identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and this will go here. So this is, it has already become 1. 1 by 1 will be 1. So we are getting here cos theta into sin theta. What is this? What is this? Hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. What? LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Moving to next question, question number 10. Wow, this question, M and N type question. Question number 10, my dear. Please focus on question. See here. Question number 10. Who can solve this question? Let me know. Let me know your name, please. Yes, give me the response. Give me response. Who can solve this question, my dear? Yes. Yes, some application trigonometry. Look. Wow. Just wait, my dear. Just wait. Few questions are still there. Okay. Very good. Now, who can solve this question? If tan theta plus sin theta equals to m, tan theta minus sin theta equals to n, then prove that this. Then prove that this. So, let me tell you the solution. So, my dear, look, if, let me use yellow color, if m square minus n square equals to 4 root mn, we have to prove this, to show this, right? And m is given to you this function and n is given to you this function. Don't worry. Let me give you a very short result. So please follow using LHS. Please take LHS. And LHS is m square minus n square. So my dear champion, m square minus n square can also be written as what? A plus b, a minus b. Are you agree? A plus b, a minus b. Me, sir. Very good, very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Okay. So can we, who is this? Solo, you are topper. Oh, very good. I hope this is clear to you. So m square minus n square can be written as m plus n, m minus n. Now, my dear, where is m? M is this. So can we write here? Tan theta plus sin theta plus n. M plus n. N is there. Tan theta minus sin theta. Right? Now, this is m minus n. So, m is what, my dear? Tan theta plus sin theta minus minus n. So if we write this n after minus, so tan theta will become minus, but sin theta is already in negative form, so minus minus plus will be there. I hope you are getting my point. Now solve this. Sin will cancel here, and here I think n will cancel. So what we are getting here, 2 tan theta into 2 sin theta. 2 tan theta into 2 sin theta. So 2 into 2 will be 4. So we are having here tan theta into sin theta. 2 to the 4, tan theta and sin. Can we write this function 4 under root? My dear, if I am having x, so can I write this x as under root x square? There is no difference between x and x square. Under root x square is obviously x. Similarly, we can write this tan theta into this here in this form. Tan square theta into sin square theta. Agree or not? Are you agree or not? Just tell me, are you agree or not? Tan square theta can be written as tan square theta into sin square theta. Right, my champion? Now look at here. This is 4 and this is sin square theta. So can I write this? Tan square theta and this sin square theta I can write here. I hope this is clear to you. Tan square theta, sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, if you agree. Yes, my dear, because here is sin theta, sin square theta, and sin square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. So what will be the result? What will be the result? So this will be 4 into tan square theta minus this tan square theta into this, tan square theta into this. And where are the numbers? This is this. So this can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So this will be tan square theta minus tan square theta into cos square theta. Now if I ask you, my dear champions, tan square theta is what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Wow, sin square theta by cos square theta, and here is already cos square theta. Tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta, so this will cancel. So we are getting here 4 into tan square theta minus sin square theta, and this is what? A square minus b square. Tan square theta minus sin square theta. Root cannot be removed because tan square theta minus is there. So root cannot be removed. If only tan square theta was there, we can write tan theta. Only sin square theta is there, we can write sin theta. But here two functions are in subtraction form. So a square minus b square will be a plus b, my dear, and a minus b. Now can you get the result? Wow, tan theta plus sin theta. Where is tan theta? Wow, this is m, and this is tan theta minus sin theta. This is n. So we have proved 4 under root mn. We have initiated from here, but we are getting this. Hence proved that. So hence proved m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root mn. See, we started the solution from here and we got this result. It implies that m square minus n square equals to 4 under root mn. Hi, I'm new student captain. Thank you. Sir, is it always possible to convert any trigonometric identity? See, not always, but yeah, in most of the time, if tan and cot is there, you should convert the function in sin and cos. I cannot say every time, but most of the time, it is there. Yes. I hope this solution is clear to you all. Pankaj, hi Pankaj. Very good. I hope this is clear. Jatin, hi Jatin. Is it clear, everyone? Any confusion? Any problem? Any difficulty? Let me know. Let me know. Your Sonu Sir is here. Just let me, can you please repeat 5th step? Where is 5th step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen, I think you are having problem here. Rohan, if I am right, You are having problem here. So, is it clear, Rohan? Just give me confirmation you are having problem here. Who is confused here? Write down in chat section, yes sir, we are having problem here. What you did here? Just let me know, my dear. You are having problem here? You guys are stucking here? Just right. Yes, okay. Rohan, listen. This is tan theta and this is sin theta. Power is 1, power is 1. So if we write power 2 as per our, just for our comfortability, I can write, if I write x, my dear, so x can also be written as under root x square, right? If I am writing apple, here, so apple can also be written as apple under root square. Apple can also be written as under root apple square. Under root apple square means apple only. So tan theta can be written as under root sin square theta, and this sin theta can also be written sin square theta. This is all about. And I have changed this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, and the rest work is mathematical calculation. I hope now everything is clear. No sir, very good. Now I hope everything is clear to you. Rohan, just write in chat section, yes sir, clear, so that I can move ahead. Yes Rohan, let me know. I am waiting for your personal response, because each one of you is important for me. Everyone is important for me. One student is also important for me. And the student who is not hit the like button, go and hit the like button also. Yes sir, very good. Go and hit the like button. Come on, hit the like button. Only 11 likes are there. I want to convert this 11 into 30. Is it possible? Is it possible, my dear champions? Is it possible, my dear champions, to convert this 11 into 30? Is it possible? Is it possible to convert this 11 like into 30? If you all are there, if you follow my instruction, if you follow my words, can you guys convert this 11 like into 30? Go and convert. Okay, now moving to this question. Moving to this question. Okay, look at the question. So cot theta plus tan theta equals to x, sec theta minus cos theta equals to y. We have to prove, oh my God, we have to prove this function is equals to 1. Very easy question. Thank you, Kavya. Thank you, Kavya. Everyone, Ayush. Okay, so let's do this question. So cot theta plus tan theta is equals to, cot theta plus tan theta is equals to x, sec theta minus cos theta equals to y, and we have to convert that. We have to prove that this equals to 1. Don't worry, I'm here. Who is this? Who is singer here? Oh, come on, singer and all. Focus on your maths. You guys can become singer and guitarist and everything after board exam. But here, please try to be mathematician here, just for till 17 February, my dear. Okay, so we have already solved this question in previous live session of one short video, my dear. You guys can go through. Otherwise, let me give you a short summary. Cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. Can we convert this? Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, right? And which is equal to x. So can we take LCM here? So LCM will be sin theta into cos theta. This cos will go there, cos square theta. This sin will go there, sin square theta equals to x. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. So x is basically equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. See, here x is very complex, so that's why we have modified in very simpler form. Now look at the second. So second position is sec theta minus cos theta is equals to y. So can we write sec theta as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equals to y. So after taking LCM, 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta equals to y. And 1 minus cos square theta is what, my dear? This is sin square theta. So sin square theta divided by cos theta equals to 1. We have y here. Now we can put the values. X square into y, x square into y. So x is what, my dear? This is x. So 1 by, if we square, so sin square theta into cos square theta. X square, so we have a squared, x square, so this is a square, and into y, so this is y, sine square theta divided by cos theta into, the power is 2 by 3. You don't need to worry about the power. Don't worry about the power. Everything will be in front of you. Don't worry about the power, my dear. Don't worry about the power. Minus, now, x into y square. What is x here? X is 1 by sine theta into cos theta. And this is y square. So a square of this. A square of this. Sine is already in a square form. So if we do the square, sine will go in power form. Sine to power 4 theta. And cos theta is there. If we square, cos square theta is there, and the power is 2 by 3. Now sine square theta cancel here, and this sine theta into sine to power 4, so sine to power cube theta will be remaining. So 1 by cos square theta into cos theta, this will be 1 by cos cube theta, power is 2 by 3, and here 1 minus sine cube theta by cos square into cos, so this will be sine cube theta divided by cos into cos square, cos cube theta, and the power is 2 by 3. Now, can you see? 1 by cos is sec. Don't look at the power. Whatever is the power will carry forward. So if 1 by cos is there, we can write sec, and the power is 3. So sec cube theta, and the power is 2 by 3. Similarly, look, sine by cos, and both are having same power. Sine by cos is what? 10, and the power is 3. So can we write 10 cube theta, and the power is 2 by 3. Now this power will cancel, so we are getting here sec square theta minus 10 square theta. If you remember the identity, 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta, and if we send this 10 that side, so we are getting sec square theta minus 10 square theta, which is equal to obviously 1, so we are 1, hence approved, easy question. I hope everything is clear to you guys. Just let me know in chat section, yes sir, this is cleared now. Magic. It's magic, my dear, it's magic. Trust me, it's magic. Okay, now moving to next question. I'm not going to do it at all. You guys, you should do this question, very easy. Don't do anything. This is given to you. Put here, solve RHS, right? This is given to you, p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. And put p as this. This is given to you. P will be sec theta plus 10 theta whole square minus 1 divided by p square, again sec theta plus 10 theta whole square plus 1. Solve this, you can directly get the result, sin theta will be there. Clear now, very good, crystal clear, thank you, very good, Rohan, Kavya, superb everyone. So welcome everyone in next video, next chapter, not next video will be same. Okay, next session of one short video of some applications of trigonometry. Some applications of trigonometry. So let's start this some application of trigonometry. Hi Zainab. Hello Zainab, Ayush, Chirag, the George, Vidhayak ji, everyone. A very lovely hello to everyone. So let's start with this one short video of some applications of trigonometry, my dear. I know you all are ready. Are you ready, my dear? Are you ready, my dear? Are you ready, everyone? Just let me know in chat section. Yes, sir. We are ready. Just let me know, my dear. You all are ready. Not RS, not any book. These are, please consider these questions as PYQ. These all questions have been asked by CBSE previous year. So don't say this question is from here, this question from there. No, my dear. Say the questions are previous year asked questions. Okay. Hi Suyash. Hello. Suyash. Ready, sir? Wow. Sir, Alia, please. Rohan. Okay, let's begin some application of trigonometry. So my dear, in some application of trigonometry, These two words are very important, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So let me give you a short summary of this, my dear. So if we talk about angle of elevation, please focus here, angle of elevation. So basically angle of elevation is what? Let me give you, taking one example. So let's say this is a building of height h and a kid is playing football in the park. This football is here and someone is standing at the top of the building. Thakur here, someone is standing at the top of the building. If this person looks to this football, if this person is observing this football, my dear, this line is called line of sight. Line of sight. This is called line of sight. And the angle which is forming between line of sight and horizontal at the ground, this angle is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. So generally angle of elevation forms with horizontal at the ground, my dear. But let me tell you angle of depression here at this, in this same example. So yes, we can find out angle of depression also here, same. So my dear, if this person, same situation is here, football is here and the person, this person is here. If this person, first he observed the ball, first he observed this is line of sight, he observed the eyesight, we can say this is line of sight, he observed the ball, and in second time he is observing the eyes of sight is exactly horizontal in this way. Like first I am observing the ball and now I am observing anything in just horizontal form, exact horizontal. So this is called angle of depression, my dear, theta. And directly, indirectly, you know, angle of depression will come here because this line and this line both are parallel to each other. So this is working as a transversal. So by alternate angle, this angle will be equal to this angle. So this is angle of depression, my dear. When one horizontal, this line of sight will be this, and we are observing this object. So this, the angle which is in the air, this is called angle of depression. Okay, this is angle of elevation, this is depression. One very important thing in this chapter is, my dear, please remember, keep these values in mind, especially in this chapter. The values of tan, my dear. So if I ask you tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. If I ask you tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1. If I ask you tan 60 degree, so tan 60 degree is root 3. So these three values plays very important role in this chapter, my dear. These three values plays very important role in trigonometry. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you are getting my point, my dear champions. So 10 values are very important. 10 values are very important. Who is this? Sanjay. Hi, Sanjay. Hi, everyone. Yes. Hello. Okay. So 10 values are very important. 10 30, 1 by root 3, 10 45, 1, 10 60. It doesn't mean that I am going to ignore other trigonometric values. Sine might be used anywhere, cos might be used anywhere, but these are the most important values. So my dear, please keep these three values in mind when you are solving the question from some application of trigonometry. Okay, moving to the questions directly. There is nothing special in this chapter to summarize the theoretical part. Better is to solve the questions. So look at the question, my dear champion. Look at the question here. So a man is standing on the deck of a ship. Let me tell you one thing. In this chapter especially, when you are solving any question from some application of trigonometry, always try to draw the situation carefully first. Try to draw the situation. Try to draw the diagram after reading the question. Diagram plays very important role. And one best part is this, you get the marks on diagram also. Yes, my dear, in this chapter especially, you get the marks in diagram also. So make sure to follow the steps, make sure to draw the diagram and label every information given in the question, because you get the marks. Evaluator will give you the marks on the basis of diagram. So diagram plays very important role, my dear. Diagram plays very important role. So look at the question. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter away, 10 meter above the water level. Okay, so look, my dear, this is water level. Okay, this is the water level, my dear. This is water here, and a man is standing on the deck of a ship at 10 meter high above the water. So let's say this is 10 meter high and a man is sitting, this is the deck of the ship. Deck of the ship. Okay, water level. Observe the angle of elevation of the top of a hill. So let's say, my dear, here is a hill, my dear. This is hill, and he observes the top of the hill. This is hill, my dear. And when he observes the top of the hill, the angle of elevation of the top of a hill at 60 degree. Okay, this, my dear, the angle of elevation with top. So this will be the angle of elevation. Okay, draw the diagram carefully. Look how I am drawing the diagram. I am giving my huge time to diagram first, because the diagram plays very important role. If your diagram will be clear, your mathematical calculation will be very comfortable for you. Okay, this is the diagram here. Okay, now, and the angle of depression of the base of the hill, okay, base of the hill as 30 degree. Okay, the angle of depression, look, angle of depression of the base of the hill is as 30 degree. So this is hill, my dear, and the angle of depression, this is the base, and here this angle of depression is basically 30 degree. This is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and one more important thing, if this is 30 degree, my dear champions, if this is 30 degree, so this angle will also be 30 degree by alternate angle, because this line and this line is parallel. Okay, calculate the distance of the hill from the ship. I don't know, so let's say this is x, my dear. Okay, and height of the hill, I don't know, so let's say this is h. Let's say height is basically h. So this is the diagram. So we have drawn the diagram clearly. Now the task is level the triangle, right angle triangle. Come on, find out the right angle triangle and the triangle in which these angles should be present, angle of depression, angle of elevation. Right angle triangle should be there, and angle also should be there inside the triangle. So look at the here, my dear. I think this will be A, B, first right angle triangle, because this is 90 degree. And another triangle is ABC. We can say this is D, and we can say this is E, my dear. Here, this is the right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle, first one, and this one more right angle triangle. Now apply trigonometry in both the triangles. Apply trigonometry in both the, you are great, even you are, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Captain, hi, solo. Who is this? Guys, please focus on the question. I think you should focus on question. Instead of talking such things, I think you should focus on the question, because you guys are, huge loss of yours. If you'll not be focusing on the question, I think you will be miss this quality session, and time will never return back. Tell me. Very good, Kavya has solved. Okay, so this is all about. So now, please listen, we have drawn the diagram. Now what we have to do? We have to select the right angle triangle. We have to select the right angle triangle, and trigonometric ratio will be applied on that. Only right angle triangle. So whatever we are going to do, we will do only in this triangle first and second triangle. Only in right angle triangle. So first let me do with right angle triangle in triangle CDE. Can you see, my dear? In triangle CDE. So this is 30 degree. For this 30 degree, this is base, this is perpendicular. So can we write tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree will be perpendicular CD divided by base DE. So tan 30 degree is what? 1 by root 3. And CD, we don't know CD. Yes, CD is 10 meter and DE is x. So x is equal to 10 root 3. Yes, my dear, the first answer has come. If you want to find out the result in decimal form, we can multiply this. So the result will be 17.3 meter. So the ship is at 17.3 meter from the hill, my dear. But we have to find out this also. So how we can find out the height of the hill? So my dear, listen, if this is 10, can you see? If this is 10, my dear, so this will also be 10, if you agree. And this is 10 meter, so what will be this? The value of this this is h minus complete height minus, right? So in this right angle triangle, now in triangle, right angle triangle basically ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, can we use tan 60 degree? So tan 60 degree will be equal to perpendicular, which is AB, perpendicular, which is AB, and base will be BC. Base will be BC, right? Tan 60 will be root 3. AB is what? H minus 10. H minus 10. And BC, where is BC? Come on, this BC will be equal to this X. Yes, BC will be equal to X. And X we have 10 root 3. So can we write here 10 root 3, my dear? Now we can cross multiply. If we cross multiply this, 10 root 3 into root 3 will be 10 into 3. And this is H minus 10. So 10 will go there. So 10 3 are 30. 30 plus 1 10 will be there 40. So this is answer. Answer is 40 meter. So the height of the hill is 40 meter. 40 meter. Yes, Rohan. Very good, Rohan. Don't spam, my dear. Don't spam here, please. Okay, Vidayak. Yes, 10 root 3. Very good, George. Perfect, yeah. Okay, don't celebrate Rose Day anything, bro. You guys can celebrate the days after board, after your 10th. Okay, Solo. Yes, it's Jazz. I don't know your name, Jazz. Okay, I hope this is clear too. So everything is diagram. In some application of trigonometry, diagram is very important. And look at the beauty of diagram. How beautifully I have drawn the diagram. One heart. I think I deserve one heart for this diagram. Can you send me one heart? Anyone? Who will send me heart of this for this diagram? Look at the symmetry and quality of the diagram. Okay, moving to next. Okay, look at the question. Okay, this question is from 2015 and 2016, my dear. Okay, so look at the question. Very good. So the question is, a vertical tower, what I have suggested you in this chapter, read that question carefully, from beginning, from starting, carefully, slowly. Read the question carefully. Thank you, Rohan. Thank you, Solo. Thank you. So always draw the diagram. And once you draw the diagram clearly, everything will be in your control. So let's do. So basically the question is, a vertical tower stand on a horizontal plane, okay, and is surmounted by a vertical flag. Okay, don't worry. So basically vertical tower is here. This is vertical tower, okay, and this is horizontal, means ground, and a flag from here, a flag is there. This is flag. This is flag. Yes, our beautiful tricolor. Let's say this is flag. I love to draw the diagram. Yes. Thank you so much, Vidayak ji. So look, this is tower, okay, and this is the flag. Now read the question. Vertical flag staff of height 5 meter. Okay. So this is of, my dear, 5 meter. This is of 5 meter. Okay. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the flag are respectively, angles are missed. See, the question is incomplete here. I think something has missed. So let me check the angle. What are the angles? Thank you. This chapter is really easy. We all need. Just a second. Let me check the value, my dear, so that, okay, a vertical tower is there. Okay, so let me check it once. The angle, I think, what are the angles? Okay, 30 degree and 60 degree. Yeah, I was thinking the same. I think. Yeah, 30 degree flag staff are respective 30 degree here in between this 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So angle is missed, my dear, sorry. So angle is 30 degree and 60 degree. Now look, from bottom and the top. So for bottom angle will be 30 degree and for a top angle will be 60 degree. So can we take here this, and from this top this. If I ask you which angle will be greater, so this is obviously this angle will be greater, this will be smaller. So this is basically 30 degree, right? And this angle, this whole angle is 60 degree. I hope you are getting my point. Now this is all about the diagram. You have diagram and this is the right angle triangle. Now what you need to do? What you need to do? Label the right angle triangle. Name the right angle triangle. So we have two right angle triangles. We have two right angle triangles. Let's say this is A. The first right angle triangle will be A, B and C, and another will be BC, and we can call this D. Okay, so find the height of the tower. Okay, we don't know height. We have to find out this height of the tower. Wow, look at the diagram. This is all about diagram. Who is this? Hi Preet. Hi Preet. Guys, who is this? Who is? Thank you. Don't spam. Okay, look at the diagram. This is all about the diagram. I think everything is clear to you all. Okay, so we have to find out the height of the tower. Don't worry. We have two right angle triangle. So we'll be applying trigonometry in both the triangles. So first take this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Okay, so if we take triangle ABC bigger one, so we have to consider this angle. 60 degree is in the bigger triangle. So tan 60 degree can be written as perpendicular, and for this 60 degree base will be BC, right? Perpendicular will be what? This is complete AB. This is H. This is H and this is 5 meter. So H plus 5. So tan 60 is root 3. AB can be written as H plus 5, and BC, we don't know BC, so BC will be as it is. So from here, BC will go there, root 3 will come here. So BC can be written as H plus 5 divided by root 3. Call this 1. I hope everything is clear. I have taken BC here, so root 3 will go there. Now, now which right angle triangle is there? One more right angle triangle, this one, DBC. Now, in right angle triangle, in triangle DBC, right angle triangle DBC. So in DBC, which angle will be considered? 30 degree. So tan 30. Why I am taking 30 degree again? 10. Why I am taking 10 again? Because 10 will give you the relation of perpendicular and base. Perpendicular means height and base will be common. So that's why I am taking 10 here. So perpendicular by base, perpendicular is DB and base is BC. You know what? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and DB is what? H. DB is the height of the tower by BC. So can we cross multiply? So BC will be equal to H root 3. And yes, BC is already equal to this. BC is already equal to this. So can we replace from 1? BC can be replaced by H plus 5 divided by root 3 equals to root 3. And we can write the region here from first. Cross multiply. So H root 3 into root 3 will be 3H. This is H plus 5. H plus 5. So this H will go there. This H will go there. So H, 2H will be there. 2H will be there, 2H will be there, and this is only 5. So H is equal to 5 by 2. So H equals to 5 by 2 means 2.5 meter. This is the height of the tower. 2.5 meter. Who answered correct? 2.5 will be the correct answer. Mika, 5 root 3 plus 1 by 2 meter. How you are getting that answer? We have to find out the height of the tower. We have to find out the height of the tower. So height of the tower, this is height of the tower. So this is all about 10. First we apply tan theta in this triangle. Here, ABC, tan 60 will be perpendicular H plus 5 divided by this. So H plus 5 by BC. So BC will be H plus 5 by root 3. After again we apply tan theta in DBC triangle. So tan 30 degree DB by DC, perpendicular by base, right? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, H by BC. So BC will be equal to H root 3, and we have already BC this, right? H plus 5 divided by root 3. By doing cross multiplication, 3H equals to H plus 5, H will come here, 2H equals to, this is the answer. I think you should check the result again. I think you are making some mistake there. Who is this? Solo is there. Very good. I hope everything is clear. So any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? Just let me know, my dear. Hi everyone. Abhay. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. All the students. Clear, sir. Because 13 February is very close. On 13 February, I am going to give you complete solution of word problem question, tips and tricks, logical approach. 13 February. So don't forget to join me on 13 February. Now moving to this question. Look at question. This question is from CBSE 2024 set 2. Set number 2. This question was appeared in set number 2. Sir, no doubt. Very good. This question was appeared in set number 2 in the year 2024. So what we need to do? Again diagram, again diagram, again diagram. So look, the angle of elevation of a jet plane. Wow, jet plane. Very good. One of the good question I can say. So basically, the question is the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. Okay. After a flight of 30 seconds, after a movement of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree if the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 3600 root 3 meter, find the speed of the jet plane. Look, CBSE asks such questions. Who can do this question? Just write your name in comment section, chat section. Who can solve this question, my dear? So draw the diagram. Don't take tension here, draw the diagram. Okay, so this is ground. Okay, a jet plane from a point A. Okay, from point A, let's say jet plane is here. This is jet plane, and this jet plane is making angle initially 60 degree. This 60 degree, and let's assume initially it was at the height of this. This height is constant. Come on, height is not changing. After some time, the jet plane had reached to this point, this, and the angle of elevation has become 30 degree from this point, same point, this angle has become 30 degree, right? This is the diagram. Okay, and let's say this is point A, this is point A, this is point B. So the jet plane is moved from A to B, and how much time it took? 30 seconds. Okay, but we have to find out the speed. To find out the speed, we must have distance between A and B, and once we get the distance between A and B, speed equals to distance upon time. We can use that formula. So please mark the triangle name. So this is AB already, so we can say this is P and this is Q, and I'm calling this as R. So how many triangles we have? We have two right angle triangles. Come on, we have this right angle triangle and we have this right angle triangle, and we need this X value, because we have already time is already given to you, and if you get this value AB, so we can use the formula speed equals to distance upon time. So in this question, what we need to find out here? We need to find out the distance first. How much distance this jet plane covered from moving from point A to B, right? So we have two right angle triangles. So solve this question. So my dear, as you all can see, X will be what? Here X will be, I think, QB minus QB, this whole QB minus QA, basically this will give you X. So to find out X, we have to find out QB and QA, my dear. So QB is present in this triangle. In triangle, which triangle? QBR. In triangle QBR. Can we apply tan theta? So in QBR, which angle is there? 30 degrees there. So tan 30 degree will be equal to perpendicular, which is RB, by base, which is QB. And tan 30 degree is what? 1 by root 3. And RB is what, my dear? This is height. This is height of the jet plane. This is height of the jet plane, which is given to you. So we can write here H by QB. Right, so can we cross multiply? So QB will be equal to, this is already given to you, 3600 root 3 into this root 3. Okay, my dear champions. So QB we are getting here 3600 into root 3 into root 3. So QB will be equal to, what will be the value? Can we multiply here? So 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 3 are 9, 10800. Everything is in meter. I think meter. Yes, meter. So this will also go in meter. So this is QB. Now we required QA also. So for QA we have to move to triangle. We have to move to triangle QAP. In triangle QAP, right? Can we write down tan 60 degree? Why? Why, my dear? Because this, in this triangle, angle 60 degrees there, initial angle of elevation. So tan 60 degree will be perpendicular, which is PA divided by base. Perpendicular by base. So PA by QA. PA by QA. Right? Tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. This is PA. PA is what? PA is H, height of the jet plane. So this is H divided by QA. Now, root 3, H is what? Height 3600, root 3 divided by QA, right? Root 3 cancelled. So QA is equal to, wow, 3600 meter. So you have QA, you have QB. Can't we find X? Yes, we can find out X, my dear. X is equal to QB minus QA. So, see, till now, we are struggling for X because X is the distance covered by jet plane from here to here. And once we get distance, we have time, so we can find out the speed also. So we are struggling to find out the distance covered by jet plane from A to B. Then only we can find out the speed, because speed is equal to distance upon time. So X will be equal to QB minus QA. So X will be equal to, QB is what? This is QB, 10800 minus 3600. So can we please solve this? So 10800 minus 3600. So 0 will be 0, 0 will be 0, and 8 minus 2 will be there, and this is 7. 7200 meter. 7200 meter. The distance covered by the jet plane is 7200 meter. Now we know, my dear, speed is equals to distance upon time. So speed will be equal to, distance is what? This is 7200. 7200 divided by time is what? 30 seconds. So 30. So can we cancel 0, 0 cancelled here, and 3 will cancel. This is 3 to just 6, 1 2 3 4 just, wow, 240. So basically S is equal to 240 meter per second. Now my dear, look at the answer, 240 meter per second. So we can change this answer in kilometer per hour. So we can change in kilometer per hour by multiplying this number by 18 by 5 to convert the number in kilometer per hour. So can we cancel this? 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, and 5 8 ja. So S is equal to, okay, S is equal to 48 into 18. So what will be the result? 48 into 18, can we multiply? 48 into 18, 8 is 40, 64, 6 is there, 8 4 ja 32, 32 and 6 will be 38, 8 1 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4, 8 8 16, 1, and this is 864. This is 864 kilometer per hour answer. This is in meter per second, and this will be in kilometer per hour. So we can write the answer, speed of the jet plane, in meter per second also and kilometer per hour also. Ritik is there. Hi Ritik. Yes Ritik, you are correct. 240 meter per second will be correct. And we can change in, kilometer per hour also. Very good. I hope everything is clear to you all. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. See, as you got the result answer, correct answer, my dear, in board exam, always make sure to write the answer in language form also. And please highlight. Else you can write the answer, the speed of the jet is 864 km per hour. Please follow this. Whatever is the final result, please make sure to write the final result in words. The speed of the jet plane is this. Aryan, hi Aryan. Aryan is new. Aryan, if new, go and hit the subscribe button. Why 18 by 5? See, my dear champion, this is meter per second. So to convert in kilometer per hour, we generally use this format, 18 by 5. This is logic. Dividing by 1000, multiplying by 60. Okay, clear, sir. Thank you. Okay, moving to next. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point is 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Very easy question. So my dear, let's say this is the lake. Blue, 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 blue. This is blue. Water, lake is there. The angle of elevation of a cloud. Okay. So this is cloud here. Okay, this is cloud here, my dear. The angle of elevation of the cloud from a point 60 meter above. Okay, so this is, I love drawing. Drawing should be clear, diagram should be clear. So this is 60 meter. The cloud is 60 meter above. Okay, the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake. Okay. So basically this question is like, let me tell you, this is not height of the cloud. This is at the height of 60 meter. So here, this will be there. So let's say this is 60 meter. So at 60 meter from the lake, this 60 meter. Okay. So the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Where is 30 degree? The angle of this angle above 60 meters from the lake. Now, the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud, my dear champion, if cloud is here, so like some height is there, so reflection inside the water will be the same. This will be the reflection, and reflection will be at the same height. Reflection will be there at the same height, my dear champions. Right? So this is the reflection. And the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. So if we join this point, same point here, this angle of depression is what? 60 degree, my dear. So this is all about the diagram. Look at the diagram. Look at the beauty of the diagram. Who is this? Who is spamming? My dear, don't do this, champion. Don't do this, champion. Who is this? Gamer and all. Very good. So I hope everything is there. Preet. So funny, Preet. Okay. So this is the diagram, my dear. So now you have angle. Can you see the angle? Now for that angle, 60 degree and 30 degree, find out the right angle triangle. Come on. Find out the right angle triangle in which these two angles are present. Right angle triangle. So I think the first right angle triangle will be this, my dear. Can we say this is A, B and C, because 30 degrees here. And the second right angle triangle will be BC, and can we say this as D? And here, because this is 90 degree, 90 and 90, horizontal line. So we have two right angle triangle. What we have to find out? Find the height of the cloud. Oh, come on, the height of the cloud. Let's say this is the height of cloud. So if this is the height of cloud, my dear, so inside depression will be also H. Reflection will be also at the same height. Yes, this is the property of plane mirror. You might be studied in reflection and refraction chapter in science. This lake is acting as a plane mirror. So in front of a plane mirror, the distance of object and the distance of image U and V always remain same. So this is H, this is H, this is H, this is H. Now my dear, listen, this is 60 meter obviously. So it has to be, this will be also 60 meter, right? So this will become H minus 60, right? I hope you are getting my point. Now in triangle ABC, can you see? In triangle ABC, if we write tan theta, tan 30, this will be perpendicular AB by BC. AB by BC. And tan theta is what? 1 by root 3. And AB is what? H minus 60. H minus 60. And BC, we don't know BC. We have no any information about BC. So BC will go in multiplication, cross multiply, BC into 1 will be BC, and H minus 60 into root 3 will be there. Call this as 1. Keep this as it is, don't worry. Now in triangle, which triangle? For 60 degree, right angle triangle will be this. D, CBD. So in triangle, CBD. If we write tan 60 degree, for tan 60 base will be BC. And for this perpendicular will be from here to here. From here to here. So my dear, this is H, BC. First route BD, don't worry. So tan 60 will be what? Root 3. And where is BC? We don't know BC. But BD will be what? Can you see the BD, my dear champion? Can you see the BD? Let me use red color. This is BD, my dear. This whole is BD. And here, till here, this is H. Till here, this is H. Because this is the reflection inside the lake. This is the surface of lake. And this is what? 60 meter. So my dear, this complete BD will be H plus 60, if you agree. H plus 60. So BD will be complete H plus 60. So can we write here? BD will be equal to H plus 60. Can we cross multiply? Can we cross multiply? So BC into 1 will be BC, and this is H plus 60 into root 3. Call this as second. This, BC, 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 BC. So, can we equate both? Both are same now. Here is BC, here is BC. So, can we write here, my dear champion, what will be the result? So, if we write here, so H minus 60 root 3 will be equal to H plus 60 into root 3. Can we cross multiply? So, this has cancelled here. This root 3, what we are getting here? I think something is there. Something is there. So this is H, this is H. So tan 60 will be BC perpendicular. This tan 60, this we have written in opposite manner. This is base by perpendicular. For 60 degree, perpendicular will be BD. So this will come ahead. We have reversed the format. That's why we are getting here some trouble. Okay. So we have to change this. Tan 60. For 60 degree, this will be the perpendicular, my dear. So BD will come first. BD by BC. Don't worry, don't worry. So root 3 will be there, and BD will be what? H plus 60. H plus 60 divided by BC. BC, we don't know BC. Don't worry, my dear. Can we cross multiply? So BC root 3 is equal to H plus 60. Call this second. So from first and second, what we can do? We have already BC is there. We have already in first equation. Can you see the BC? BC is equal to this. So we can put this BC here. So putting first in second. If we put first in second. So BC will be replaced by this whole family. So we can write here H minus 60 into root 3 into 1 root 3 is already there, into root 3 will be equal to H plus 60. H plus 60. Okay, solve this. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and 3 will multiply this bracket. 3H minus 60 into root 3 will be 180 is equals to H plus 60. Now, can we take this H here this side? So 3H minus H will be 2H, and this 180 will go there. So 60 plus 180. Right, my dear? So H will be equal to 60 plus 180 will be what, my dear? 240. 240 divided by 2. I hope this is clear to you. 180 plus 60 will be 240 divided by 2. So can we cancel here? So 120 is the answer. So height of the cloud is 120 meter. Height. Find the height of the cloud. So height of the cloud is 120 meter. Who answered correct? Who answered correct here? Let me check. Let me check it once. Who answered me correct? Yes, I want to see the name of that student. Yes, one is there. Kavya, again, superb Kavya. This question is little long, but this is PYQ. Oh yeah, such question comes in exam. Adarsh, hi Adarsh. The student who is not hit the like button, please hit the like button. Go and hit the like button and share this live session with your friends. I am assuring you guys, you will be feeling very, very confident in maths exam because you all are Sonu Sir student. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Yes, 120 meter will be the correct answer. I hope. Captain, explain again figure. So, yes, listen. So basically there is a cloud and this is the, let me use yellow color. This is the surface of lake, my dear, lake. Yellow color is the lake. So if cloud is here, my dear, this is the cloud. So there is a reflection. If cloud is at h height from the surface of the lake, so the reflection of the cloud will be inside the water at the same height. So from the top, at the height of 60 meters from the level of lake, the angle of elevation of the cloud is 30 degree and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud is 60 degree. So we have two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. By using these two triangles, we got the relation. Yes, Anand, you can get the PDF. First, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, subscribe the channel, and you can follow the WhatsApp channel also, our WhatsApp channel, my dear. Who had subscribed the channel? Just write me your name. Yes, sir, I have subscribed the channel. Honestly, write your name. I want to see the name of the students. See, I am telling you this for your own benefit because I'll be on live 13 February, 14 February, 15 February, 16 February, and 13 February will be very important class for you all because on 13 February live session I will be doing only word problem question. That scares you a lot. You guys feel very troubling word problem question. In that live session, I will be giving you tips and tricks how you guys should approach, how you can solve the word problem lengthy question in very easy manner. Very good. Mika has subscribed. Okay. Marine has subscribed. Okay. Very good. Okay. Moving to the next question. Sorry. The next question. This is all about the some application of trigonometry. This was just prank. This was just prank. Nothing is here. So my dear, let me write this capital letter. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, my dear champion. You all are here. Always keep smiling. Thank you so much. So let's meet in next live session with something unique for you all. I subscribe. Rohan has subscribed the channel. Very good. No WhatsApp number. No, there is WhatsApp channel. Go and search the WhatsApp channel. On WhatsApp, you can get the channel, Deeksha Vedantu class 10th. Sir, I have Aryan is there. Thank you so much, Rohan. Everyone, I would like to say you thank you, everyone. And you should also say thanks to me also. Okay. If you want. By the way, don't problem. No any problem is there. So, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for staying in live session from beginning. And you all are awesome. You all are awesome. You all are good, my dear. Stay blessed. My blessings are always with you. And I'm putting my complete effort for you guys so that you guys can perform in mathematics, so that you can show the world what you are and you can prove yourself in front of your parents. Yeah, you don't need to prove yourself in front of parents because parents always loves you a lot. But you guys can give some gift and some reward to your parents from your result, my dear. So stay focused, stay, consistent and recognize your inner potential, mind. You all can do wonder. You all deserve good result. And if you are having any problem in mathematics from any portion, I'm here. Your Sonu Sir is here. Your Sonu Sir is here. Your Sonu Sir is here. You guys can come to me and tell me whatever problem you are facing in any particular portion. I will be rectifying your problem. This is my words to you all. Thank you so much. Hi. Okay. Yes, Ayush. Thank you everyone. So let's meet in next session with some new energy, new passion, enthusiasm and everything. So thank you so much for being here. Stay blessed, stay sparkling, take care of yourself and take care, important thing, take care of your parents as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you all.